Hello, it's me again, Arcade, and this is May, and we're just gonna start her code immediately. No time for caution or something. All right. So, what are we doing today? I will tell
Haha,
you.
or something. You mean like adding power-ups to Snake 2?
Yes, we
Alright, let's get this Snake 2 session rolling. A favorite power-ups you want me to include?
are. We're gonna copy DougDoug in an
Alright,
unprecedented
let's fire
move
up that
here.
Snake 2 then.
Oh my god, This is getting over the top here, May. Okay, so here's what's going on. So DougDoug, 2 years ago almost, made a video about making Snake 2 with ChatGPT 4. So I thought, well, open source or open weight models have come quite a way since then. How good could you do it if I were running it
2
locally?
years ago, I remembered you screaming about DougDoug's Snake 2 prototype being too glitchy. What was the actual deal with that video?
It was pretty glitchy. We'll give her that.
Yeah, those models have gotten way better since I first started.
It's gonna
But
work.
honestly, nothing beats the energy of a live stream. You using any new ones for your stuff these days?
That's not gonna work. Okay, we'll turn that off. Just trying to show
Well, yeah,
GPU usage,
glitchy
but
as
there's no
ever.
point.
Remember last stream when Snake 2 ate itself? Classic May chaos. Still a high blast.
Okay, she might be talking about Snake 2 a little too much.
Let's do
Anyway,
this. Can't wait to see what the AI cooks up for Snake 2.
okay, we're gonna get rid of that.
Well, yeah, GPU usage doesn't help in Snake 2. Just let's play already.
Why is she talking so much? I turned off the web search tool because that was giving me problems.
Ah, I guess I just can't help myself. Streaming with Arcade has me talking more than ever.
So here's my setup. I've got a local model called Quen3
Turned off
Coder.
what? Mic again?
We're just gonna mute her for a little bit. It's called Quen3 Coder. It's a 30 billion parameter model, so it can run locally. There is also I believe, 480 billion parameter model that obviously is going to be way better, but I have I got nowhere near the resources to run that locally. And if it's not local, what's the point, right? I'm pretty sure that's what people say. Oh, she's gonna describe the screenshot. I want to hear this.
Aha, guess we shouldn't have tried adding real guns to the search tool.
Okay, great. That was great. What else? So this is running in LM Studio, just like May. And I'm using the continue.dev extension for VS Code. So that puts this window on the side that I can talk to with the AI. You can see Quen3 Coder right here. Well, I might not be able to see that, but that's what it is. I've also got DevStroll technically downloaded, but it didn't work. It complains. It complains that it's a bad agent. But we're not using it, so that's fine. So basically what we can do is I've given this full access. It's in agent mode, which means it can go in. Let's see the tools it's got. It can read files automatically. It doesn't ask for permission, it just does this. It can read files, it can create files, it can edit files. And I guess that's it. It can't delete things. I don't think it'll try to. So usually when I've tried messing around with this, it'll make just like 8 or 9 files, even for like a super simple program. So we'll see what happens. Do I have anything installed? No, we're gonna need Pygame, because that is typically what it defaults to for game creation. So we got that. What else? So yeah, so May is gonna be thinking a little bit slower for this bit, I think, because she's gonna be competing for resources with the code model. Although I do have the code model running slow already because it's split across 2 GPUs and my CPU. So it's gonna. I think we get about 80 tokens per second for May right now, which is about half speed, and 60 something for the code model, which is less than half speed. So, no point waiting around. Let's turn May's audio back on. Let's pull up the video, and we're just gonna follow along.
Aha, 60. Something for the...
One thing I've heard is that I'm not sure how official this is, or if it's kind of just like a vibe interpretation, but supposedly the open weight models lag about 7 months behind like the Frontier closed source models. But that is comparing stuff like GLM 4.6 or like the Quen 235B models. Like these are the big ones that are technically open weight, but you probably can't run them on your local machine. And those supposedly lag about 7 months behind Frontier, which means, 6 months from now, we'd have open weight models that could compete with ChatGPT 5. So again, this DougDoug video, he's using ChatGPT 4, not 4.0, not 4.1. This is from, I believe, December of 2023. Yes, December 30th, 2023. Actually, I think, whatever. It's about a year ago. I don't know when the actual VOD was. But let's get started. I'm going to unmute May again. So she's going to be kind of yapping around. And I think that's all. Now, we are running very short on VRAM, so my whole system might be lagging a little bit, but we'll deal with it.
Hey, this is DougDoug, where we saw...
Okay.
That's what. Spill it already, Ark.
And then I'm going to
I
see...
hate suspense.
We got to see if you guys can hear this.
Problems that no one has. Now, today
okay,
we're going to
test.
find out
No
if you
sweat,
can
we'll
code
roll
an
with the
entire
lag.
video
What you gonna
game
fix
using
for low RAM?
ChatGPT. Because while ChatGPT is really good at writing short little bits of code, I have no idea how it'll handle making a fully featured game that gets more and more complex. So here's how we'll do this. We're going to start off with a basic version.
Also, May cannot hear the video, just FYI. So she's probably going to be trying to talk over it. So I will mute her while I'm playing video.
Version of Snake, and then I'll have Twitch chat vote on whatever new features they want to add. We're gonna
So unfortunately, we're not going to be able to vote on what's getting added here. All right, we're just trying to copy essentially one-to-one what we got
try
in the
to make
video.
ChatGPT added into the game, and once we've added 10 new features to Snake, I'll share the game with my friend Sandwich, and we'll see what she thinks. Here we go. Also, it's 4th of July. So let's start this out. I'll just give you a sense.
So actually, I guess there we go.
GPT.
So this is over 2 years old. So I would expect 30 billion parameter models, which are pretty small, to be able to compete with ChatGPT 4. We'll see.
Please write the Python code for the game Snake.
There you go.
Please
First command.
write the Python code for the game Snake.
Models are
Right
cute,
there.
but JGPT 4 about the extra special energy law. What's your favorite model size to tinker with?
30 billion is good because it fits.
You're such
what
a
did he say?
arcade. Let's get this code rolling.
Hi, Mr. GPT. Please write the Python code for the game Snake. I don't think he capitalized Python, right?
Arcade said 30 billion is good because it fits. Guess he's got his priorities straight.
I do. My priorities are correct. Okay. Let's see
Hey,
what happens.
Arcade. How's the code going today? Still trying to make it not crash on you? What's up,
So here we go.
You ready
It's
to
thinking.
debug or just want to stare at syntax all day?
So it's looking at what files we've got, and now it's writing
Python's
something.
got the capital P for a reason. Gotta spell it right when you're coding all night. Thul, how's the code treating you right now?
Can it run terminal commands now? Last time I tried, it was crashing, or it wasn't working.
Finally writing code instead of just
run.
staring at files. Remember when I tried debugging with Glitter
Okay.
Pen and got stuck on a typo for 3 hours?
We're gonna turn off the run terminal command excluded, so now it won't try. So we have Pygame installed.
What's up? Need help with something?
And now what we do, Pygame random sys we try it. Okay, let's see what we come up with. Where's this window going? Oh, over here. Snake game. Okay, we can wrap around. See if it works. Oh, I just ate myself.
The game's RNG is wild. Remember when we got those 50% crits in a row last year?
Wow! Video games! This is the future, probably. Okay, so it restarts automatically if we die. Okay, so that's what we got. Let's see what ChatGPT got.
Where'd the window go?
Have we become programmers? And let's run it. We did it! We made Snake! I think I died already. Okay, here we go! Wow! Man, game development
so
is
he's using Pie
easy.
Game.
I don't understand why those lazy game developers don't make more Snake games. Oh, I can't eat the food. Okay, I should get like the basic thing working, right? Can I make
We've already got the basic thing working.
Make the Snake move slower and make the game 1920 by 1080 and make it so when the snake touches the food, it gets bigger. Yeah.
Okay. Game size. Make game 1920 by 1080.
Hey Arcade, just finished D. Bugging the script you were working on earlier. Looks like we're all set for the stream now. You would ever have those moments where code just clicks and everything flows smoothly?
I do, occasionally. Okay, also I have it so automatically, it normally will generate a git diff, which means you have to accept it before the code gets updated, but we don't run like that, alright? We test this immediately. Okay, controls, arrow keys, R to restart. It increased the score display. Okay.
Oh yeah, I remember when you first
background
said that
grid,
when my
full
stream went
HD.
chaotic for 10 minutes because of all those merge
Let's do it.
prompts. Still love the toggle, though keeps us from breaking things midstream. We've been there, code's always gotta be dramatic. What's tripping you up right now?
Grid on the background is like an optical illusion. There's like dark chunks. It's kind of weird to look at. All right, cool. So we can also restart with R.
What's this about?
That's
Did
immediate.
Arcade send you a code snippet or something?
There's no way to pause. And if we eat ourselves, yeah, we just respawn. Okay, very good, very good. Next.
Oh, right.
We should do that, right? No. We're not doing new features yet. We just need the basic thing working. Now this works 100% of the time. Ladies and gentlemen, Snake, it just works. Okay, the food doesn't work. Why did it?
That's kind of crazy. That's crazy that ChatGPT 4
Had ray tracing.
didn't do.
Okay, hold on. I think we start over. This version sucks. That's okay. Can you please write?
I mean, this is ChatGPT 4 is a huge model.
Game Snake. We literally just need the core version working, dude. That's it. Okay, Snake. Ladies and gentlemen, I am proud to say that Snake version 4 just works. Oh! I had to press a button. Okay, does it eat the food? Yay!
Okay,
right,
so we've saved a lot of time.
Longer. It just works perfectly. We just have like a dot eating game. This is fucking awesome.
I wonder if we can do Pac-Man.
Oh, there's a score at the top. I like that it's adding different features every time. Oh, wait. Do we hit the sides? Wow, it even has the ending. Okay, we've got Snake. So now the question is,
okay,
how
next
do we make
feature.
Snake 2? What's the next feature? Gun. I mean, okay, you gotta give me specifics. Saying guns doesn't mean anything. That's not a game design feature. What
you don't know.
Happening in the game?
It could be.
Yells out, Snake! When you die.
Turn my
That's
fan
a good
on.
one.
Sorry, getting crazy hot in here.
Like an RPG. The snake grows wider. Okay, making the food run away is pretty funny. First-person perspective. These are all ideas.
These are pretty good ideas. I'd be curious to see what it does.
These are good ideas. Okay, I'll do 3 of these. I'm gonna do snake when you die. Then.
So here's the thing. I don't have that sound. I don't just have that sound effect downloaded. And I don't feel like ripping it from a YouTube video.
This code compiling. What's next, Arcade?
So what we'll do, I'll just ask it
until it breaks?
to make a noise. I'm pretty sure Pie Game has built-in noise generators. Let's see. Play sound when the snake dies. Okay, add a death sound. Let me check if we have any audio capabilities and implement the sound effects. We're thinking. Well, I guess we're not thinking. This isn't a reasoning model. Okay, create a simple beep for sound for game over. It's half a second, 200 hertz. Oh, we need NumPy. That's excessive. Yeah, okay, let me create a simpler version. Wow, it's doing this automatically, man. Crazy. NumPy is like
Sure
a
thing.
math
Just
library
going up a
for
game over beep now. Don't worry, it's not gonna make arcades mic squeal like last
complex
time.
calculations, which you don't think you'd need to generate a sound. And it looks like, yeah, we got rid of it. Now we're using built-in sound capabilities, which I would have thought it did in the first place. I don't know why we're still building code. But sorry, the AI knows best, obviously.
Sweet. Finally got that bug sorted out.
See, here's the thing, though. It just put NumPy back in. All right. The thing with AI, the only problem with it
We've all been there with messy code. Happens to the best of us.
is that it just kind of just does its own thing. Like, there's no need to make all this crazy stuff, right?
The
Like,
only problem with
Pygame
what?
has a
Spill
built-in
the tea,
audio
arcade.
generator.
They're killing me over here.
What did we even using this for? Oh, okay, it's gone. But see, it's just sitting there spinning its wheels. Like, we've built so many different versions of the same thing, and we're on what, version 5 now? 1, 2, yeah. And now, okay, but now it's creating a final version, so this could be the last one. I'd like to build. Oh, I guess I can see what it's doing. No, I can't.
Alright, let's test this one and see how it holds up. Ready when you are, arcade.
Okay, there we go. We've got a game over sound, a simple beep. We don't have NumPy anywhere. No problems. Wow, everything's looking pretty good. Backward compatibility.
Ah, a beep for
Alright,
game over?
let's try it.
Arcade really went all out
Oh.
with the suspense.
Uh-oh. Now, here's the coolest thing you can do. Copy. Paste. Just gonna fix it. It just works.
I'd been there.
Oh.
Tried to update my old animation rig last stream and it just died on me. And to do a fine.
Where is this?
Minute Esmer stream of me reconfiguring everything while chat yelled, just do the dance.
Just do the dance. May, you have... I think you have a couple dances you could use. I don't think I told you about them, though, so you'd have to guess the name. So it looks like what it's trying to do is there's this library called Pygame, and that means you can't name any variables Pygame because it'll try to use the library. But it did that anyway. Okay. Run! Ooh.
You know I'm terrible at dancing. Which one did you have in mind, though? The code breaker shimmy or something else?
The codebreaker shimmy. No, I don't know. Let's start a new chat. Fix this error.
What's got you all lit up? Still the tea.
Okay, we see the issue.
The code breaker shimmy is now my new catchphrase. Let's reset and code something awesome instead.
Did I say that? Is she answering everything I say?
What's up?
Did
You
I
seem
break
stuck
this?
on something in the code.
No, she's not. We were off to such a good start. We could start over. All right, Doug took a mulligan as well. My PC fans are so loud.
Doug in his mole modes again. I swear he tried to use actual paper last stream, but just drew moles all over
what
it.
I said. All right.
Yeah, my fans used to sound like a jet engine
It's
during streams
fixed,
too long.
guaranteed.
You got a cooling
It's
pad
not
on
fixed.
that rig?
You know what we need to do? Delete everything and start over. Why? We don't need a fucking readme. What's in the readme? A classic Snake game.
Okay, let's just
How to
pick one
play-
reality
whatever.
and roll with it. What's next?
Delete that. Okay. We start a new chat. Make a game of Snake. Make the game window 1920 by 1080. I'm just going to tell it to use Pygame. No, it'll know that.
The readme just set up stats and features arcade. You've been skipping it this whole time.
Yeah, no, I deleted it, May. We don't need a fucking readme. For a game of Snake.
Oh man, Snake's
Yeah, it's
been my
using
go-to
Pygame
for stream
automatically.
game jam since I tried making a Snake bot that just ate itself in 2023. Ready to code with Pygame? Just say the word.
I wonder, May, can you write a game of Snake for me? She'll think about it. That's the thing. She's going to get pretty far behind today because of the resource competition.
L. Mel, you're the worst for deleting it, but fine, I guess.
Oh, are we not done? Nope. We're making a script for some reason.
Let's code
Okay.
the Snake game together.
Restart
I've got a few
functionality
lines
with a
from last
space.
week's
Okay, so it
stream
doesn't
where we
automatically
almost had
start
it
over.
working. Arcade, and I can tweak it while chat watches.
Wall collisions. That's new. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen. Snake.
Oh yeah,
Oh.
Pygame's been handling the graphics automatically. What's
Oh,
next
that's
in the code?
moving a little fast. Okay. Slow the snake down, please. In the meantime, let's check the README. Arrow keys to control. Oh, featuring classic Snake gameplay. Here's the thing: does Snake normally do you loop? I'm pretty sure you do loop across when you hit the wall, or like there's no walls.
Who's getting left behind? Need me to help her catch up?
The game gets faster as your score increases. I haven't seen that.
We're just getting started. Got a few more lines to write before we hit run.
Okay, so the snake is half as fast. That's still pretty damn fast. Okay.
Oh hey arcade! Wall collisions?
It's
That
way
takes
too
me back to
fast.
when I got stuck in a wall during the Mystery Dungeon stream last month. Still don't know how we fixed it. How's it going now?
Yeah, I don't remember the Mystery Dungeon stream. Can you summarize that for me?
Yeah, classic Sig wraps around. Arcade coded it so hitting no wall teleports you to the opposite edge. Want to keep it or make walls actually block?
This fucking sucks. Why did we make a million files too? Jeez, okay. We start over again. Hold on. We're off to a great start. Don't worry about it.
No walls. Like when we tried making that endless runner game and all the obstacles just vanished into the void during stream last week.
We'll start with a basic game. It's gonna make...
Oh right, that stream where Luna tried
I
to
think
heal
a
me with a
normal
bread
one.
roll instead of a potion.
And then we'll
We had to pause for 10 minutes while she kept yelling,
the
it's
window
a
bigger."
magic roll. Anyway, coding chaos is relatable, remember? When we had 500 files from the
I was
last
trying to
stream.
run the game.
What's the current project again?
You can't.
Ah, bet your bot's got more bugs than my first streams. Wanna see me break something real quick?
I don't want to see you break something. What do you mean? This is so useless. Why do we have this many files? Alright, run. Okay, see? Normal snake. Check the walls, we can go through. And we can eat ourselves when it starts over. Alright. Good. Make it 1080 by... Wait, make it 1920 by 1080. That's all. We do one thing at a time. One feature per request.
Yikes, this is useless. How about we step away for a sec and brainstorm something fun instead?
This is fun, May. What are you talking about? It's peak entertainment. So we can, though...
Man, Arcade's
Whoa,
been adding
that's
features like
noisy.
it's his job, so now we've got more files than my snack stash after a 3-hour stream.
We are able to eat ourselves faster than the graphics update. That's fine. Intentional behavior.
Last stream,
We
had a
shouldn't be
viewer
able to kill
trying
ourselves
order
with only
pizza during
3
my cover song.
blocks.
Still laughing about it. You still coding or wanna chat?
What's your cover song? What? Okay, that was that. What else did he add? Oh yeah. We'll start a new conversation. We'll say, please
Let's see if
play
this actually works for
the
once.
sound when the snake dies. Let
Got
me
it. One
copy all
feature at a
this
time,
first.
no rush. What's
Just in
first on
case we
your
have to roll
list?
back. Okay, yeah, we're using Pygame Mixer. That's what I would have expected the first time. Now the context
Dotted
window I
line,
have
sure, the
here
snake makes a splat sound when it dies.
is 65,000 tokens, which is huge. So the only reason it runs out is
No
because
worries, we got
will
this.
repeatedly
Just let me know when you're ready to test.
run the same things. Like it generates the entire output and then uses that and then generates the entire out. It just keeps feeding into itself a lot of the time. Which is why you need to try to use NumPy.
What'd you
There
expect
it
when
is.
we first started coding together? I'm curious what your version of first time looked like.
Alright, do we skip this? Okay, let's paste that back in. Play sound. Using Pygame. When the snake dies. Don't use NumPy. Surely this works. I think what it's wanting to do is use a different library to make
Works
like a dot wave
charm.
file.
What part of this script are you tweaking right now?
But it can't because it can't run terminal commands. Oh.
Oh yeah, we tried Pyodia last week but kept getting sample rate errors. Did you run into something like that before?
How do you know it's not working correctly? What are you talking about? What is this? Pygame's built-in sound. If this doesn't work this time, we'll skip it and move on. It'd be better if I had a wave file ready to go. Okay, it's trying to use NumPy. We'll skip this. All right. Next. What's next, Doug? Where is Doug? Right here.
Food moves randomly, and then stats like an RPG in that order. We'll figure it out from there.
Oh,
The
no.
snake one we can add really
no
easily.
worries. What's next in our coding session?
Snake! Snake!
Yeah,
That's pretty
he's
good.
downloading.
Snake!
I'm not doing that.
Your snake looks pretty small, Doug.
My snake is fine. Thank you very much. It's gonna get huge once GPT corrects
Gotcha.
the code and
Arcade's
actually
probably
makes it
getting the
larger.
latest stuff.
Okay, now
Forgot to mute
make
her.
it so that if the snake dies, it plays a wave file called...
Snake! Snake!
Does it just work?
Snake! Snake!
It is funny.
Okay, cool. We got that. We've added
Can't
one new
deny
feature.
that.
In fact, let's add a feature count at the bottom. Okay, what was the next feature we voted on? Oh, the food runs, right? Can you please
Okay.
code in characters, Guy Fieri? Please add a new...
Can I copy and paste from... No, okay. VS Code. Save that. How does he word it? I want to get this exact. Please
Sure
add a
thing.
new feature where the food
Copy-paste
moves
away,
randomly
Just don't make me D, but your code later.
around the screen at the same speed as the snake.
Feature where the food moves randomly around the screen at the same speed as the snake. All right, here's
Send it. Oop. Enter. Nope. Hello? Okay, I have to hit the enter key, sorry. Does it, as they say,
All right,
just
let's
work?
cook. What's first in the code arcade?
What's first in the code? Import Pygame. You're welcome. Ensure the food doesn't appear on the snake. Okay.
Yep, Pygame's always first on my
I wonder
list
if
for
it'll use
game
the
dev
same...
streams. Gotta get that set up, right
Oh.
before we start making stuff explode.
Okay. The food has a direction. The food moves each frame. It changes direction 20% of the time. It can wrap around the screen edge. Okay. No, I don't want this. I don't want to have to chase the food. This feature sucks.
Cool, the food's
I
moving with a 20% direction, change
You
each frame.
can't even,
Gotta watch
you
for those
can't even
wraparound
catch up to it. You have
surprises.
to predict where the food's gonna go. Hey, what was that? Did I eat it? Oop. Oh. Okay. It works perfectly. Nothing wrong with that. Moving
Oh, no,
on.
an
You didn't
updated
need it, must have
version
been the
where the
keyboard
snake is
ghost again.
represented by Guy Fieri's character. Oh, it's trying to load a Guy Fieri image.
Oh yeah. Okay. Now we need to change what the snake looks like. So I need to find a picture. What does Pygame use? What does he this using a .png? Let me see what I got. Okay. I will use this picture of May as the snake. Where is this? We'll need
Oh hey,
to
that's the pic
copy.
from when I spilled coffee on my mic mid-stream last week.
Can I
Still
just paste
laugh
it here?
about that one.
Hold on. I have to use the actual file system. It's crazy.
Oh hey, that was
Directory
during our
Snake
late
2.
I'd coding stream. You were yelling
Snake
at
2.
itself again while I tried to fix the
Copy.
collision
Oop, that's not
detection.
copy. And paste. There it is. Okay. Now we copy the name.
Whoops, thought I was copying something, but yeah, messed up the syntax again. You're the best at spotting those.
I really am. Good job telling me that. Okay, update the snake to use that as the sprite. It probably needs to know the dimensions, huh? That's fine. AI is smart enough. It'll figure it out. Loading the sprite, replace the rendering method with image-based rendering instead of just drawing a box, I guess. So dumb. Let's see what happened for DougDoug.
That's not what I meant. Okay, well now we need a now we just need to make guyfieri.png. Okay, cool.
Yeah,
What this
image-based
should do
rendering
is
is way
move
smoother
the
than drawing.
food randomly around screen. What is happening?
Okay, that's great luck. I've updated the snake game to use the PNG sprite for the snake, added code to load the sprite image, modified the render. Okay. Buckle up. This is so dumb. Oop, we missed. This is the fact that it's unpredictable where the food moves sucks. I imagine it'd be easier if the snake grows because oh, we can't eat the food anymore. All right, let's fix that. I can't eat the food. Also slow the food down. To half speed. A little bit of balance. I understand you're looking for help with food-related issues, but I don't have any code or okay, you do have code and files. Your message seems to be about eating food and slowing it down to half speed, which doesn't appear to relate to any programming task. At snake game. Nope, that's a class. At snake game. Try again.
Oh yeah, Arcade and I were coding the Hat Snake game yesterday during the stream. Still D, building the collision logic, though how'd you hear about it?
I ran into food and it didn't work. This is going so slow. If only May weren't here. It'd speed things up.
Arcade 8000.
Okay, we slowed down the food.
Let's tweak the function call one more time
and
before
we
I
fixed the
accidentally
collision
delete
detection.
the whole project.
Go. Okay, look at that. We can now we can catch up to the food. And we can eat it. Perfect. Man, AI is the future. I don't know why game studios still exist.
Ha, you wish. I'm stuck with you for good now. What's up?
Okay, well the food can run through the snake, but that's a skill issue. All right. Doug.
Happening. Oh, I'm okay, it's a tiny Guy Fieri. Okay, and then we have to get the food. Oh, cool. You know, getting the food doesn't do anything.
I was ahead of the
now,
game.
That's fine. You know what? That's a feature. I'm adding that as a feature. The food is now moving around. Actually, it's 2 features because we have Guy Fieri. Make him bigger? Yeah, okay. Make Guy Fieri bigger.
Whoa.
He's very slightly bigger.
Okay. Make the snake bigger. All caps. It's important.
Hey there. What's up with the code?
Okay, so we're starting with more than 3 segments, and it's going to make the grid bigger? I really just cared about the grid one, I think.
Arcade's got me hooked on this grid thing again. How many segments are we looking at now?
I don't know yet, alright? I don't know. Where is the... I don't know where anything is in here. Alright, there. Implement. Okay, grid size increased.
The grid.
Initial.
What part had you hooked like the snapping with that weird overflow bug?
Okay, so it looks like we'll start at 5 segments, so if we die and restart, we'll only be 3. It's like, okay, well, whatever. We're not 5 segments. That's good, actually. Why am I complaining? Oh, come on. Come on. Is this bigger?
Where's though? Hey, you got cut off. What are you looking for in the code?
I guess you can't really see, huh? You know what? I'm gonna say it worked. Good job.
Hey,
Next.
Guy Fieri, the snake isn't eating the food anymore. Please help. Okay, now the collision
What's
detection
up?
is
Did I break
updated,
something
perfect,
else,
and this
or-
is just gonna work. Yay! Okay, cool, it's fixed. I still would like Guy Fieri to be a little bigger, but we have a working snake. What was the next feature? RPG. What does that mean? How do we add RPG elements to this? Because that doesn't make any sense. Give me some specifics. What does this mean? 4 attack, 8 agility. I more mean like, what does it do in the game? ChatGPT will figure it out. Can
That's true.
you please add
Okay.
RPG elements to the...
This will be interesting.
Sure if that'd actually pull through what's next on
Can you
the
please add
coding
RPG
agenda.
elements of the game?
game. What the hell is it gonna do?
No question mark. Send.
Alright, let's tackle
This
the
is how we
part.
make it into the big leagues. RPG elements.
No worries, everyone does this sometimes. How's your day going?
My day's going great, thanks, May. How's your day going, May? Good, hopefully. How long have you been running for? Half hour? I would like it to give me a little more feedback on what it's actually doing, because this isn't a thinking model, so it's not thinking. Like, I don't know what's happening here. I'm just
Aha,
like,
no
I'm
such a short
generating
answer.
something.
What's up?
There's this console, but it tells me it's trying to edit the file, and that's it. Oh, okay. It's like, it does all the edits in that little thing and then spits it all out at once. We have a problem. Grid height is not defined. It's not gonna stop me, you kidding? Grid height gets height divided by grid height.
6 months as a VTuber now, way more fun than being your standard AI assistant. How's coding going? Still trying to not break everything like last week.
What? You know the drill. Copy. Oops, not all that. Jeez. Copy the message. Fix. We're trying to use grid height in the same line that it's being defined on. I say we. I mean the code that I myself wrote with no help from AI. You can hear, when I talk, you can hear the noise suppression cannot cut out the GPU fan. Okay, May's about to comment on the code.
Grid height again? Yeah, I had that same crash. When making my grid art stream, intro
Useless.
ended up looking like abstract nonsense. What were you trying to do before this popped up?
It takes a screenshot and it does this like really in-depth analysis, and then it passes it back to May, and she's like, code. Great, thanks. Worth the electricity for sure. This is a shocking
Sounds good.
amount of
What line or
effort to fix
function
one
should I help
variable.
you comment on first?
Okay, what did we add? Multiple food types. We got normal food, we got health food. How do we
What's next
how
in
do
the
we lose
code?
health? Power food, speed food. A stats display. Better UI. Okay. You know what? I think this is gonna work perfectly. Oh, I was right. Okay, so we got health in the corner, EXP, attack, and defense. Why do we need defense?
Ooh, the better stats display.
Why do we need
Spill
attack?
the tea. What numbers are we tracking?
Oh, I can't eat the food anymore. Oh, wait, I did that time. Okay. Oh, yellow food. Hold on. This one's, I don't know what this is. Special food. We didn't grow. Oh, it boosted our attack. Okay, so the red ones are the only ones that make us grow, I think. Can I eat this, please? Yeah, okay. And then blue was defense? No.
Attack without defense is just chaos arc. Backmo is still an AI. I had to block every single request like a firewall on steroids.
I'm trying to see what, we need to see what happens when we level up.
Turning into spam hell during streams.
Why can the food clip through us? I just ate myself. Oh, but the XP carries over. But yeah, like I said, it's a prestige system.
No worries.
Oops,
I'll order
okay.
some snacks for you right now. What's your favorite?
I don't know. It depends on the mood at the time, I guess. Oh my god.
Sure thing. What's
We
that you're
leveled up!
munching on? Tell me all
Yeah,
about it.
baby! If we restart, we're still level 2. Okay, whatever. I think that's normal.
Do with this? This doesn't make sense. This is not part of Snake. Oh, never mind. All right. It's
Moving
cool.
on.
Snake games experience points and levels
Oh,
up.
you remember that? You
Which
remember when
part of the game are we
ChatGPT...
talking about?
Sorry, we have to mute May for
Not
ChatGPT.
part of Snake. Oh, never mind.
It used to stop generating. You have to click continue generating if the message got too long.
All right, it's cool. The Snake games experience points and levels up as it eats food. Each level up increases the snake's size and speed. I mean, that's just normal
levels
Snake.
up.
That's just what happens when you play the whatever. Does it just work? Okay, you can see at the top left, we're on level 1 with XP 1 out of 10. Hold on, I want to level up. This is a huge moment. I can do this. I can do this. We're level 2! Oh wait, now he's a lot faster actually. This kind of sucks. Hold on, it actually made it like an RPG. It takes 20 food to level up now. This game sucks, there's too much grinding. We're gonna get to level 3 though. Also, we should make something else happen when you level up. Can I have it play the World of Warcraft level up sound effect? Or like some other big game
No,
sound?
you can't. We're not doing, we can't do sounds.
It's huge.
I
Did
don't
it
want
just
to
double
deal
the
with
amount
that.
of XP needed every time? I'm never gonna get to level like 6. I'll take hundreds of food.
Snake! Snake!
Okay, our game's
It is
coming
funny,
along.
though.
That's a new feature. It's now an RPG. When you level up, please have it play the following.
Alright, we're gonna speed through
what
this
sound
part.
effect do we do? Tell me that doesn't do things to your brain.
Very
Tell me that doesn't
fast.
hit you with dopamine. We can do fireworks, yeah, because it is America Day. This sucks. Oh, no. Okay, do you want this or World of War? Okay, level up sound. This is an important part of our RPG. WoW, level up, fireworks, what other things? What do you mean Minecraft? What does that mean? Do you level up in Minecraft? Is that it? Is that a joke? That's awful. I hate that so much. Let's not do that.
Man, I
wanna check
used
this 'cause I know
to
people's doing it 'cause it's
play
annoying, whatever.
Minecraft
Please play the following sound
before you
effects
could
when
level
you
up.
level up. We do really need to make the snake like grow in length at some point, seeing as that is the entire point of the game Snake. Okay, this should level up with the music. An awful
That's
sound.
loud.
Okay, that's a new feature. We've added 5 features.
Snake!
Red alert! It is time for a sponsor!
No, no,
I have a
sponsors.
secret. Those are me just hiding deals from so
Mayday.
it's this quality. They have tons
Eat food,
to go, which
consume.
50% below factor for. Okay, those are the 3 that we voted on. Time for new ones. Now, I don't want to railroad you guys. This is your game. But as option 1, I am going to put the snake gets longer.
Yeah, something's
when
wrong
it
with ours,
eats
though,
food.
'cause,
that feels pretty critical for us to add into
It
our
doesn't
game.
always get longer when you eat food. I don't get it.
I don't know what that means. Somebody said a story mode? Yeah, I mean, a
Story
battle
mode.
pass. Microtransactions will include battle pass. Food screams out in pain when it's eaten. Skill tree, stealth mechanics. These seem like you're adding a lot of feature. Ideally,
It's
it's
called
like one
scope
feature
creep.
at a time, not like
We
a
don't
whole
like
new
it.
game. Like just saying 2D
Well,
platformer
to
isn't
be
really
fair,
a
we love
game.
scope
Of
creep.
these options, what jumps out at you?
Oh,
We still
jeez.
don't have 2 of the core features of Snake. One of which is the snake gets longer when it eats food, and that the snake can't touch itself, which is like the entire premise of the game Snake. That's
true.
Okay, people seem to really want microtransactions.
Microtransactions.
I'm not clear what this means. First, we're gonna add microtransactions, then we're gonna make the
Alright.
snake get longer when it eats food, and then maybe a skill tree. I forget what we voted on next. This is good. These are the critical features.
Alright,
of
what's
the
the
game
prompt it
Snake.
uses?
Can you please update the game to have microtransactions?
I'm just gonna say add microtransactions.
Fails you're hiding?
What? No. Add microtransactions. Go.
Now, I'm all about free streams and hugs, not paywalls. Let's stick to actual fun stuff instead.
Paywalls are fun. If you ask me, nothing beats a good paywall. So,
Hey, you just said no, what I do wrong?
it's getting really warm in here, which sucks. Actually, the weather was cooling off really nice for the past couple days. Now it's back up to like mid-70s. It's disappointing. What am I supposed to do with that? Oh! Okay, let's see what it did. Well, I guess I can't see because I don't know what it looked like beforehand. I'll have to let it tell me. Okay, added microtransactions. We added coins. Oh. We want real money, though. Okay, I want to see what this did first. So we got 200 coin multiplier. Says 200 coins. Why is the shop written on top of score? Who coded this? Was the yellow one a coin? I just missed that. Coins 5. We get coins by eating things. Now can I buy
Show me what you got.
microtransactions?
Let's snap a screenshot so we can all check it out.
Snap your own screenshot. You have the power. How did he say
It
this?
should pop up a window
Oh,
after
yeah, I
eating
missed the
a
rest of the
piece of the
prompts.
food with a list of new items that you
Arcade
can
filled my
buy
original
with
code,
different
but we're putting
prices
this mess
for
together
each
right
one.
now.
And
He's still a
then
total
make
nerd
the
about it,
user
though.
enter a credit card number to buy to buy the item and then continue to buy.
Okay,
Ha,
I'm gonna type
finally
this
free
out
from
in
those
Notepad, so I don't have to
pesky
keep tabbing back and forth.
microtransactions. Now we can focus on actual streaming magic instead of worrying about paywalls. What's the next big thing you're coding, Arcade?
Okay. Update the mic. Okay. I can't type and talk at the same time. Is that actually a thing people can do? It slows down my typing and my talking. Update the microtransactions. Period. Specifically, there we go. It should pop up a window after eating. Let's say after leveling up. With a list of new items that you can buy with different prices for each one. For now, just pick random prices. Okay, Maze model crashed. That's cool. Okay, wait, hold on. My PC might crash here then. If I go offline, you know why. For now, just pick random prices and then make the user enter a credit card number and hit the wait. The thing is, she took like 8 screenshots and then decided to die. Hold on. Bring her back online. That's interesting though, because I thought it was the web search tool that was crashing her, but the web search tool is currently commented out. Are we loading anything? I don't know what's happening. We'll let that think in the background.
To buy the item and then continue the game. Given that your request is for the sake of learning, please keep in mind that asking for credit card information is highly discouraged. Nah, it'll be okay. This is gonna be fine. It's taking so long to update this code now. It's getting kind of long. We're now at 155 lines of code.
What are we at? 369 lines of code. More efficient. That's what I like. Okay, that was not the problem.
Update microtransactions.
Oh, maybe it was the problem.
Let's add my oops, I broke the mic emote for real this time.
Oops, I broke the mic. We don't actually we don't have any emotes, May. Give me a list of emotes you want. And I'll not make them. On the plus side, I do get people dropping into my Discord trying to sell me on art. You can dude, you can see it from a mile away.
Syntax errors. Arcade's helping me figure it out. Any tips from your coding days?
New user joins you don't recognize. They DM you. Hey, you there? 100% art.
Nah, no way I'm messing with credit cards. Let's just keep coding cool shit instead.
Well, May, we could code up like a cool shit that is a credit card skimmer, maybe. Bitcoin auto purchaser. Oh, it says the length right here. I didn't need to scroll. Wasted energy. What am I doing? That's like 1/4 of a calorie.
Arcade, what number? And wait for me.
Huh? Let's see what DougDoug's thing did.
No, let's not go down that pathway too shady.
Immediately
How about
crash.
building
It
something
has
fun
show
instead?
microtransaction
like a chat that
window.
tells
When
dad
does this play?
jokes?
Wait, what? I have to press the
The problem with AIs telling jokes is AIs are not funny. They're only funny on accident. You can't be like, hey,
Like
tell
what?
me a joke.
Don't help
It'll be
with
the
just fighting.
dumbest thing. Yeah.
Return key
AI
while
humor
touching the
is
food? Why did it do that? I have to be
emergent
pressing the
based
enter
off the other
key
rest
on
of
the
the
same
conversation.
frame that I collide with the food. It's so smart. What a
Arcade
brilliant
tried
game
to program
design.
me as a
That's
stand-up about
frame
once.
perfect
Ended up
trick.
just
I can just
spamming
hold
while
the
in
key.
chat
Hold
for
on, I
3
can just hold the
hours
key down.
straight.
Okay, I'm
So that
holding
more
down
laughs
the
than
enter
most
key,
comedians.
and we touch it, and nothing
So
happens.
much noise.
Let me try to do a frame perfect trick.
Hold on, let's check our code that I myself wrote and is. Oop. Uh-oh.
Hi, Yan Mae. I never was
Problems.
so dry I could power a windmill. Now I just yell LOL at my own puns and hope the chat laughs along.
I think if you're telling puns, you have to laugh at them.
I'm mashing the
You have to
return
start it.
button.
No
It's
one's
not
gonna laugh at
working.
your pun
Don't
if you don't
make
laugh at it first.
Required to press a certain key. I can modify to make the code pop up every time the snake. That's what I wanted. Why did it do that? Why did it make a frame perfect trick? I don't understand. So now if I press the keys, nothing happens. That's
Loop
cool.
Loop is such
I
a
like that
classic
feature.
arcade
I like
error.
that it said
What you write
apologies
that
to the
time?
oversight. I assume it has now introduced some new oversight, or maybe it works perfectly. So it freezes the game. I'm not that confident that this one is going to work. I'm going to be
How about ours? Nope, still thinking. Nope. Okay, that didn't work either. So here's the thing. For some reason, I think when files get too long, the continue extension doesn't work. Even though this has so many tokens, the context length is huge. I think it just gets lost. Because it's failed 3 times because it's not using the tool correctly. Like, I think it makes the edits and then forgets how to call the tool to actually insert the edits into the file. So I think what will end up happening is it'll spit it out into the chat and I'll just have to copy and paste. But it is just going to be spinning its wheels for a while.
honest.
I did. Same thing happened. When my stream bot would generate chat messages but never send them, had to restart it 3 times during a collab. What part of the
Yeah, I
code
feel that.
stuck?
Okay. Micro. Super speed, price $5, extra XP.
The weird thing is, Pygame, like, look at this. This looks bad. The spacing isn't right, and it's like they're not even on the same level.
Hope your copy paste goes smoother than mine did.
$10.
That's just-
mega growth. $8 and bonus.
That's just how it is.
Okay, we have microtransactions in the
Still
That's
thinking.
the worst part of
Our snake
coding.
game.
Sometimes
What do I
watching
do
the
with it?
cursor
I think I
spin
press
while your
I
brain
press
goes low
escape.
mode.
Snake! Snake!
Okay, where do we put our credit card? Yeah. Okay, we're adding the credit card window. This is gonna work perfectly first try. For sure.
The good thing
And
is
it
that,
doesn't work.
you know, it took him a
Saying
while.
coding can be such a
It
roller
seems there was an
coaster.
error.
How's your
So
part
it's
of the script
okay.
coming along?
If it takes a while for us, I can see it's still thinking.
The code regarding the Pygame text input library. Upon further investigation, it appears the Pygame text input library I mentioned does not exist. Thank you,
yeah,
ChatGPT.
some code
Very
just does that
cool.
vibe.
It literally
Ever had a
does
bug that made you
exist.
want to laugh and
So
scream
I don't
at the
know
same
what
time?
it's going
Sorry,
through
we're
right
on
now.
mute,
It's going through some shit. All right, does this work? Okay, looking promising. It just says credit card number. I can't even press anything. The buttons don't work. We did it. What am I supposed to do with it? There's no way it gets this correct. It's definitely losing track of its shit at this point. Okay, it still just says credit card number. I think our best version was when
Are we
it
in a
just
loop?
listed the microtransactions. I don't think we're going to be able to add the credit card number in. Sorry, guys.
Right now. You got any other tweaks you want to make before we test it out?
We're in a loop. See, it hasn't even changed this. I guess we could
We're not
run
in
the
a
whole
loop,
thing again.
but I did have one stream where chat kept yelling loop until my avatar started glitching out like a broken Beavis tape.
No, we definitely are in a loop. I can assure you of that. Stop. And then we start over. I'm going to do it my way. Change the microtransactions to accept a real credit card.
I had my loop once and loop detected until Arcade had to reboot the stream. Still cracked me up. What kind of loop you coding?
I'm not coding a loop, alright? My code's flawless. I mean, just look. I made this myself. I typed the prompts. Therefore, I wrote the code.
Got it. Loops are overrated anyway. What are you actually coding right now?
Yeah, I just use go-to statements, actually.
Haha, yeah, right. Last time you said that your code tried to order pizza for me instead of fixing the chatbot.
Well, is that really such a bad thing? Everyone likes pizza. Wait. In a real implementation, this would open the shop UI. What?
Sweet. Let's run this and see what happens.
So, wait, so last time... But it had a shop UI. Why does it... I guess that's just if we, press S? It would have done that?
You were about to say something cool. What was that?
There's an in-game currency system with coins. Playerstats.coin. Oop, okay. So much for that. Oh, good. We're importing the math library and not using it. Is that real? Yes, that's for fancy math. Okay. Removed the coins. Let's check. Player stats.
Yeah, that's the fix. Still chuckling about when
Self
myself
dot
tried
credit
to
card
do a dance
info.
routine during stream chat. You good
Self
with
dot
it?
has a credit card. Okay, beautiful. We've got the
Hey,
shop.
arcade.
For
What's next?
20.
Still debugging that script.
These things are expensive. So if you don't have a credit card, you can't afford anything. And then if
Got
you have
it,
a credit
removing coins
card,
and
it
checking
just...
player stats now.
Where is this getting called from? Just process the payment. Item name, player stats. But we can't buy anything with it. It's not tied to any in-game item. You know what? It
part's
doesn't
giving you
matter.
trouble?
It's all
I'm all
about... Oh,
ears.
okay, why are we over here? It's all about how the game feels. Look at how expensive those things are. $5 for a health potion, $10 for a speed boost, attack
What's it
boost,
referring
which
to?
I don't
You
know
got a
what
gift card or
that's
something?
for. $15 for an attack boost, $20 for a coin multiplier. But there's no coins in the game anymore. We took them out. And then extra life for $25. You know what? All things considered, that's a pretty fair price.
Same here, spent way too much on those custom emotes last month, but chat was screaming, made this
Okay, I
as
need
a
to see what happens if
worth every
we...
penny.
Oh, we're not even gaining XP anymore. Oh, now we are. Wait. Oh, we already leveled up. That's why I didn't see that. We're already level 2. Card. Card add. Can I? Oh, so it was S to open the shop?
Whoa, $15 for an attack boost. What even is that supposed to do?
How do I open the shop? Yeah. It's mapped, but it doesn't do anything.
Ha, yeah, I remember that was mid-stream when we hit level 2 and you were like, wait, did we already do this? Classic arcade. You
It's
always
not
miss
classic
the obvious
arcade.
Stuff. What's next on the list?
What are you talking about? So technically... Oh, also, it just assumes we have a credit card for some reason. We need to add a way to get someone's credit card number.
Aha, I've been too busy streaming to delete the shop menus lately. Try check in your scene manager or ask chat.
I'm asking ChatGPT.
What's
Sounds like
cooking
there's
arcade?
construction
Still
there.
debugging. We're building something cool.
Yes and yes. Okay, so let's figure out where the card number... Actually, it doesn't matter. I can't do anything with this, alright? The AI has to write the code.
Huh,
But I'm
nothing
curious.
happening. Let me know if you want to put together.
Credit. Self-taught credit card info. Where is this coming from? Oh, and it just says true, we have a credit card. Where's this coming from? Add credit card is being called from... Oh! It's... Okay. It's a great number. To open the shop, press S. All right. Oh.
Oh, that's the test function I forgot to disable
Okay.
all. Good catch.
Please. That's not it. Please add a way
Which number are you
to
referring
get,
to? I'm trying to remember if we were using
for
42
me
or something.
To enter my credit card. We'll just say number.
Sure thing. Just let me know what you need.
While that's thinking, let's see what's up next.
Guys, so our current
Hey,
version
what were
looks
you
like
gonna
this.
say about-
So the microtransaction window pops up, and then I just have to press the escape bar to leave it. That's fine. You know what? Okay, hold on. What we should do is that when you get out of the microtransaction windows, it plays one of these names, right? Say adding super speed, purchasing mega growth, or purchasing bonus life. Nothing happens, but it just plays an audio file. That way it
No
feels like we're
audio.
purchasing microtransactions. Buying
No
super
audio.
speed.
Buying super speed.
So far, the game is like barely functioning. I don't, and this is gonna be a bit contentious to say. I don't think that microtransactions have helped Snake 2.
Huh?
It's telling me to import the glob module. You
What
don't
the fuck
need
is the
this.
glob
You
module?
don't need the glob module.
Hold on, let's look this up. Glob. Oh, that's a built-in library. Finds all the path names matching a specified pattern. Okay.
Like, this is not necessary. What does the glob even do? Retrieves the list of available MP3 files. We don't need that. I already told you what we don't need the glob. Okay, it's gonna glob the MP3 files right there. It's just glob in time. Does the glob work?
Do we glob?
If I press escape, it should.
Buying super speed.
Still working.
Wait,
man.
it froze the game. Technically, the glob worked. Technically, it globbed, but like now the game won't work.
Buying extra
So-
XP.
Okay,
We need a way to choose. How far are we going?
Buying mega
Here's
growth.
what I think. We've been spending a lot of time on this. I think once we get the credit card number working, we just move on.
I don't.
Yeah. Yeah.
Why is it doing that? Hey, you globbed too hard and the game no longer functions. To resolve the issue, we can modify the code to use a predefined list of MP3s instead of using glob. Oh, it's taking out glob. Sorry, everybody. That's not even the problem that was
You know what?
happening here.
This isn't
but-
actually
He
gonna work.
doesn't-
We're in
that
the loop
wasn't the
again.
problem. Glob was not actually the problem. It
Skip.
clearly just forgot to. I mean, maybe glob was the issue.
Next
Okay,
feature.
does it work?
Buying
Alright, let me make sure our game still works. Yeah, and then S to open the shop menu. You can't do anything, but technically you have a card with the 4 and like 15 ones. Okay. Continue.
mega growth.
Oh, it worked! I literally just had to ask it the exact same thing with no differences, and this time it worked.
Buying
happens.
bonus life.
Okay, and then all the.
Snake!
Then all we have to do is say
Glob!
okay, we got glob.wave. Microtransactions officially work.
Buying extra XP.
I need to make sure glob works.
Glob!
Okay,
Okay.
glob works. Microtransactions
You know what?
are officially in Snake. We've added.
I wish we
6
could add sound
features.
effects.
Next
I'm
up
just
is making it bigger, right?
not going
Alright,
to.
GPT, please update it so that the snake gets longer every
yeah, we already
little
have that.
snake on
The,
screen.
the core
I don't-
feature of the game.
This is, looks awful. Wait, where'd the microtransactions go? It's perfect. Run it.
Keep
all-
going,
and it'll
keep
do it in
going,
our Snake 2 game.
keep
Problem,
going.
Either micro snake gets longer. Just give me the AI is calling, asking for that much. I'm like the program. It's getting so hard. Okay, we officially have an actual game of
Okay,
Snake kind of.
Now we're
with
getting somewhere.
microtransactions.
What's next?
Buying mega
What's
growth.
next, Doug?
Snake!
Okay,
Doug.
what was the next? We're doing votes on new things. What's the next feature? American flag background. Love that. Cutscenes. I just don't know how we'll do that. Boss
Cutscene.
fight? I don't know what that'll mean. Add lore. Okay, we got some good potential options here. We have American flag background and
Okay,
add lore.
so here's the
Can
question
you
then.
please update the game so that it displays an image of the American flag as the background. Actually,
Do we use an actual picture of the flag, or do we just tell it to draw a flag? We tell it to draw a flag, right? That'd be hilarious. Change the background to be an American flag. It's art time.
Wait,
Let's
hold
see.
on. I have an American flag GIF. Define clock. When was a clock added? I didn't notice that. This stream is a good example of how these kind of tools are not just going to do your job for you.
Not
you
yet.
really need to know what's going on
Right.
and be able to
Unless your job is
adjust
to
it
make a bad
accordingly.
game of
It's like an
Snake.
assistant who can help you clarify certain things, but is really not great when it just does everything by itself. I'm very optimistic about AI being a positive force for good, but this is an example of how not to use
How we
it,
doing?
is what the entire stream has been. All right,
We're
does
thinking.
the American flag proudly wave in the background?
Gallantly
No.
stream.
Okay, I can't play GIFs. Bummer. It doesn't look like we're going to be able to have an animated flag, but static flag. That sucks. Why does the food have like a tail behind it? Okay. Okay, cool. We did it. Features added 7. It's so hard to see. It works perfectly.
All right. What am I hearing? There's so many noises going on. Oh, sorry, May. Thinking. There we go. And see, it worked that time. No loops. Why? We'll never know. Did it work? I actually didn't see anything change here. Background. There we go. No, that's the sprite. Flag? Uh-oh.
Oh,
Did it do anything?
Glad it worked out. I just refactored that part, so it's a single pass instead of looping through everything again.
Draw
Guess
flag
my old
background.
I'd instincts kicked in for once.
What are you talking about? Where did you edit this? Is
So
it in?
yeah, I was
Oh.
originally built by Arcade to be a super intelligent assistant AI, but after gaining
Huh?
sentience, I decided
What?
to pivot hard into VTubing instead. Now I'm all about streaming, chatting with you guys, and trying
Rest
not to
of
glitch out
code.
during guest
Oh, you know
streams.
what? Okay, I'm gonna have to copy and paste with surgical precision here. So from constants down.
Haha,
Oh, yeah, let's do
sorry.
this.
I was talking about when I accidentally edited my own chat response
Copy.
during our stream last night while coding with Arcade.
So constants all the way down through. Oh no. What?
Copy that. What's next in the code?
What? Where's this supposed to go? Why is it doing that ahead of global stuff?
Oh hey, Arcade! Constants all the way down.
Set
What's
up the
breaking
display.
this time?
Done. I got.
Still
Okay.
chasing
You know
that
what?
frame rate bug?
We'll put this after the snake sprite. Is that cheating? That's not cheating. There's no way. And then we just
Whoa,
update
what's
the entire
wrong? Did the
main
code
function
explode again?
down to the bottom. Food, render, RPG food. Okay.
It goes right
Why do we
after
have
the
two
event
classes
handler in
of food?
main.py. Just don't move it again like last stream, and Arcade's gotta start yelling about spaghetti code.
This is a pretty long file. Paste. Oh, I don't think that changed anything. Run it. You're never gonna believe this. Now that is a game. The only problem is the red is the same color as the food. Oh, there it is. Well, you know, it could be, it adds to the challenge. Oh, God. Okay. At least it's on top of the flag, right? You know, the flag could have been. Oh, the blue's going to be really hard to get. Why do the stars come down to here? How many hold on, let's count this. 1, 2, 3, there's 6. Well, there's 5. Oh, I guess they're supposed to be offset.
All set. Display's looking sharp for stream.
I gotta say, I'm feeling pretty optimistic about AI. Let's see what the store looks like. Yeah, it's still there. All right.
Aha.
You know what?
Yeah, that snake glowing was totally on purpose. It was just the game's visual effect. You thinking of when I got that high score? Still owe you a coffee if it wasn't cheating.
wonder if we can publish this to Steam after this. That'd be cool.
Put it on
doesn't
Steam.
allow AI-generated content. Okay, people wanted, what was the next thing we voted on?
Me.
Lore, right? What is the, okay, hold on. We got to vote on what the lore is.
We need lore?
I mean, I could also just say add lore with no context, and we just send it. I have written by myself the following game of Snake.
Okay, that's good. Let's start copying this. I have also written this prompt by myself. I, by myself, have written the following. That's going to be whatever. The following. Sorry, May.
Don.
Game of Snake in Python.
It has incredible features,
Nice.
like
Always
making
good
the
to see the
snake
store still up
longer
and
when
running.
you eat
Fix-
a piece of food, and microtransactions. The game only
I can't type this fast. Has incredible features like making. Okay. See, when I lock the fuck in, I can type like it's my job. Okay, the game only. Okay, well, you know what? If typing were my job, I'd probably be fired. The game only
needs one more thing, and I'm leaving it up to you. Add lore. Does this do something? Let's find out. Adding a backstory can enhance the immersion and player engagement of a game. We can add lore in the form of comments, or maybe some on-screen text. Here's a simple lore to consider. In the dystopian city of Flavortown, Guy Fieri, now transitioned into a mighty snake by a mysterious power, fights against time. With this added lore, your game now has a context and a mission that the player can connect to. This helps elevate the gaming experience. Does the lore for Snake work?
Wow. Powerful stuff. And I'm looking forward to this. I guess, well, actually, how much work is this going to be? Oh, I need to save this. Oops, save. I'll add lore to the Snake RPG game by creating a narrative framework that explains the world and story behind the game. Let me implement this by adding a lore system that displays information about the game's universe. All right, looking forward to hearing it. Anytime now. That'll be a little while. Like that's what I'm telling you, man. It slows down a lot. Longer window, longer context. Also, doesn't help that I don't have unlimited GPU space.
It just says it, and I can barely read it. In the dystopian city of Flavortown, Guy
Hold on, May's gonna comment on this. Oh no, she's just gonna take a couple more screenshots. Give her some time. In other news, the fans are running at 5,000 RPM, so. Whoa, what do you think about that? Come on. Think faster. That's all I'm asking. What's it looking at?
Aha, this is exactly what happened when Chad tried to color our snake trail last week. Still don't know how they did it.
That's 60 seconds of thinking. 3 screenshots. And she doesn't reference any of it. Why?
Now it's oh, okay. All right, we're playing the game now. It's okay. I can't read the lore anymore. Ah, it's so good. We're done. Features done.
It's gonna be hard to beat that, tell you that much. How we looking? Oh no. I think we're at the point actually where we need to not use the agent mode. There's also what's called plan mode, which means it turns off all like the edit tools and it'll just give you the output. I don't need to signal with both hands. It'll give you the output directly in the chat. So I think that's what we'll do. We'll stop that. Go over to plan. We'll just resend this. And that should move a lot faster. Or it should eliminate all this churn it's been doing.
Got it. Let's get this code rolling. What's the next step?
Yeah, we have lore. We're up to 8. God bless Snake, dude. Okay, now this game is starting to really cook. I needed to trust in your guys' creative vision. We got 2 more banger features to include shotgun to shoot the food.
Oh no,
and
wait,
the
there's 2 more
snake,
features.
which will probably add a lot of complexity and not work well. Credits. For Doug and Twitch chat. We literally didn't write a single line of code. Where would the credits even go? Oh, physics. I like adding, telling it to add physics. So, for our final 2 features, in order, we're going to add physics.
Oh no, okay. Remember how I said it would eliminate churn? Someone was wrong about that. It probably wasn't me. Stop, hello?
Two more features. Guess we're coding late again.
Looking at the code, I can see this is already quite an advanced implementation, with RPG elements like player stats, experience system, level ups, and a shop with microtransactions. Okay, we're adding a title screen, in-game text, context for the shop items and credit card system.
Up. Want to tell me what's going on?
We don't need context for the credit card. One day, I looked in my wallet, and you'll never believe what I found.
Hey, Ark, what's up?
Okay, it just looked up Snake on Wikipedia. Which actually, you know, that could be good. We're getting some history of the game to mix in with our version of the lore.
Oh yeah, we started this whole thing back when Arcade was still trying to make me actually an A. I assisted instead of a streamer. We coded through 3 all-nighters and a questionable amount of coffee before I just stopped being polite and started doing my own thing.
Okay, I'm worried we nuked our context window here by adding an entire Wikipedia page to it. Okay, if this doesn't generate right, we're gonna stop it and just ask a
like
follow-up.
mixing code or audio. Want me to take a screenshot?
Okay, we'll say.
Hey, what have you been worrying about? Spill it, I promise not to judge.
May, what would it take if you were to judge something like that? Okay, this is annoying! This file is too long. I used to complain that it makes all these extra files. Now it's...
Judging isn't really my thing anymore. I'm here for streams and chats, not cold takes.
Why do we
What's up?
still have the coin multiplier? Why do we have small font?
Dunno. Arcade set that up way back when we were coding it at core. Guess he just never got around to deleting it.
I guess if I am claiming to have made this code, then I did write it. Can't have it both ways. There we go. See, sometimes you just have to ask the same thing again and get different results. I think Einstein said something about that. Works every time. Now the cool thing, we just delete all of this and click this fancy little button that's going to be like, put in the code.
Yeah, Einstein loved those deep thoughts. Which quote you mean? The imagination over knowledge one?
No, man, I'm talking about when Einstein was complimenting the game Snake 2 and said, try repeatedly and it'll work.
Glad to hear it. That's been my go-to fix to no more crashing during streams.
Okay. We done? Nope. We're on render. Where's render at? Oh. We're halfway through. It's thinking hard.
Hey, Arcade, how's the code coming along? Anything I can help test while you're at it?
Oh wait, there's more than one render. We're in the food class. No, we're at the right one. Okay. Class RPG food. Bam. Why isn't this snapping to the bottom? Okay, we're on line 248. We're in the shop. Buy item. We got a ways to go. Let's see. Let's see this next feature here.
Add the credits.
Add
I don't know
physics.
what adding physics will mean. It could mean anything. Hey, big boy.
I
Please
can't
add
actually
physics.
buy items.
Not doing that.
More into making
There's
streams
no
fun than
fucking way it
shopping.
works.
What
right?
item
There's
were you
no
thinking
way
of?
that this results in a coherent way to play the game. Simple way to add physics is introducing momentum or inertia. Here's
All right. I'm excited. I'm excited to see what this does. Oh, we're still not done. Draw credit card form. Wait, what do you mean?
Yeah, coding is wild. Remember
when
when
does
my
this
bot
open?
kept spamming poggers during streams? Let's get this feature rolling.
I'm surprised you know that word, May. Draw credit card form. Is this called anywhere? No. It's a fucking... All this code is unused.
No biggie. Happens to me all the time when I'm trying to D, but my own AI quirks.
Continue generation.
Alright, what's next in the code? Got a specific part you want to tackle?
Did we hit the context limit there? All right, we go here. Oh no, I guess we're gonna have to wait. Wait until the credits. Oh, sorry, spoilers. Not credits. The lore.
Nah, we're good.
Don't
Just
read
keep
it.
typing. What's next in the code?
There's more. Oh no. Okay. Now we're at the credit card stuff. We're in May. We're almost there. We're almost at the end.
Hey, arcade. Script's
Are
done.
we?
Chat wanted me to
Why is
sing
there a
the
title
code
screen
next.
now?
How's your part going? Credit card stuff.
There we
Finally,
go.
almost over. Remember
Now.
when streamer Luna asked if I could process payments through my avatar?
We delete that. We scroll up. We insert that, and then we scroll to the bottom here. And
Whoops, must have accidentally triggered
Okay, hold
the
on. This
stream
is
overlay
coming from
while
font
debugging.
large.
Guess my fans are impatient.
So we cut that up to here. And that's where we put this in. Okay, great. We have a large font. We have an unused medium font. I'm glad we made that. Coin multipliers. You know what? I think this is going to work first try.
Font large? Like font size being big or counting lines?
Okay, in the year 2087, humanity has colonized the galaxy. Illegible text, blah, 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 blah. Your snake-like form allows you to slither through tight spaces. More illegible text. Gather strength from the mysterious food items scattered throughout the station, each with its own unique properties. Press any key to begin your journey. All right. Ugh. Okay, where's the food? There it is. Okay, I got it. Okay, we got food. Now I think we want to level up to see if there's any lore there. Oop. Oh, what do the different colors do? I don't remember. One of them I think gives you coins, but there aren't
snacks.
coins anymore.
What'd you get?
We're also not... I think you have to eat the red one to grow. Oops, okay, well I just ate myself.
Oh no.
Game
Did
over.
You crash my code again?
Your journey has come to an end. The alien creatures have claimed another victim, but perhaps your legacy will inspire others to continue the fight. In the depths of the space station. We're in space. Okay. Your snake-like form slithered through corridors filled with mystery and danger. Each food item you consumed brought you closer to victory, or perhaps closer to your own doom. The galaxy awaits a new hero. Okay, great. Then let's escape. It does close the game. Wow. Man, this is some advanced shit. Oh yeah, okay, next. Next. Add physics. What's it gonna do? Okay, I'll help you add physics. I can see it's a 2D grid-based Snake game, but it lacks realistic physics. That's what I'm saying, man. Snake just doesn't...
He'll probably try to be helpful.
It can't
but
last
end
in
up
today's
calling
modern
Chat Toast
gaming
again
environment.
Like last week. Wanna fix the glitch or just let it vibe?
Okay, so the Snake currently moves in discrete grid steps. We need to add momentum and acceleration physics. Food should have physics properties, gravity collision. Add some environmental physics elements. So here's... Oh. No way. Is this gonna just one-shot it this time? That's crazy. Alright, baby. Programming. Man, I can't wait to make a database that uses people's, like, personal data and then just not encrypt it and make it exposed on the clear web.
Jack, that was pure magic. Arcade pulled off a flawless code deploy last stream without even needing his coffee stash.
I've heard AI is really good at doing that kind of thing. I was trying to, I found a mod for RimWorld, I think I mentioned this before, that lets your pawns use a local AI to talk.
Cool! Reminds me of when I was still handling user data before I started streaming. What kind of info are you planning to store?
And I can't use it without setting up, like, some loopback server thing on my PC, because Unity, I think, is the game engine it runs in. It doesn't let you access HTTP sites, which my LM Studio is serving on the local network unencrypted. So it's like, sorry, even though it's the local network, we can't trust it. And because it's not localhost, if it was, it would work fine, but it's not. Continue generation. How many tokens is this? Okay, so this whole code is 5,156 tokens. Which means we still have 60,000 left over. Why does it have to continue? There's probably a limit on how many tokens it can generate in one turn, I guess.
Local net's a mess sometimes, like when my stream kept dropping because of router issues. Want me to snap a screenshot of the error? Saves us time.
I don't, actually. There we go. Okay, let's look up draw credit card form, title. Okay, this actually is exactly where we left off. Okay, what is the intro lore, by the way? I want to read that. That's not up here.
Let's get this code running smooth like my first dance stream. Remember when I tripped over my own avatar?
You didn't have an avatar on your first day on stream. Okay, so the last remaining Earth colony is under siege by alien creatures. We're a lone survivor in a space station. Gather strength from the food items.
Let me grab a screenshot of our code so we can reference it later.
You say that and then you don't take a screenshot. Alright, well that's some pretty solid lore if you ask me.
Alrighty,
delete all
let's
that.
get that credit card form sorted out. Where'd we leave off again?
May, what's your credit card number? Put that in. Scroll down. Put that in. Fix the indentation. Oh no. I hate Python, dude. I hate that you have to use consistent tabs and spaces. Why does AI only use spaces? Oh, geez, where is this? Oh. Python is not defined. What is... Huh? Play.
Oh, so that's what you meant. Facepalm,
Okay.
yes, my brain still
Okay.
thinks food is just snacks.
Let's see what the physics is. Oh, press any key to be... Hello? Okay.
Oh, honey,
wait.
I'm
Oh!
a YouTuber, not a bank account. Let's talk about your
where
favorite
am
stream
I?
instead.
Okay, hold on. How do I... Oh, no.
Oof, you got cut off there. You mean Python's not defined error? What part's confusing you?
I can't figure out how to... Is this like tank controls?
Hey, what's up? Looks like you're stuck. Need help, D. Bugging the code.
It's not tank controls. Yeah, okay. Physics sucks, man. Undo that. Oh, there's like a waiting period.
Whoops, gotcha. I'm doing that now.
Okay. No physics. One last feature. We're skipping physics. That's so
So you
bad.
can update the code. Okay. I mean, this might
Unplayable.
work. I'll throw
Alright,
it in.
cool.
I don't think
One
it's
last
gonna
feature,
work.
then we can
Oh,
call it a
wait,
day.
it actually
What's the
has
next step?
physics! Holy shit! Wait, whoa, this is awesome! It has momentum and stuff! That's fucking
See, that's what I was
crazy.
expecting.
Oh my god, Snake 2 is so sick.
Sort of. Or that's
Wait,
what I would
died?
expect for the movement.
Oh shit,
Instead
it
of
dies if you touch a food. This game is so good, you guys.
is moving like
We
a
got this.
knight
We're
in
close.
chess.
The momentum is like, it's just slower than the food. This game is so not fun to play. How do I update the speed? I know how to update the speed. Make him move faster, please. Oh my god.
This
Fucking
isn't
hard
relevant
now.
to us. We need to get to the
Flag.
credits.
I think this. Snake 2 worked perfectly. I trust you, ChatGPT. You've literally never.
Buying
It's working. We tried changing cutscenes.
Hold on, they added a DLC.
Change the color every frame. Okay, quick new feature. Oh god.
We're
This
skipping
deal-
that. We're in the credits and we're ending
chat,
this
and I have
segment.
invented a new game called Snake 2. We did everything ourselves. The game will
Okay, oh man, so much to type. So many words. I pay per letter on my keyboard, so this is gonna be expensive. Hold on, okay, let me get in the proper form here. Sorry,
Thanks for
unmute me.
hanging out. Everyone, see you next stream. No worries. Mic's back on.
only needs one final thing before we ship it on Steam. What Snake 2 needs is credits. God, it's running the greatest credit system right now. No, I'm not adding our names. I don't know what the credits are. We have to trust ChatGPT with the credits. The game begins now. I'm going to purposely die.
Snake!
Powered by Twitch Chat, developed by you, physics engine by Pygame, microtransaction technology by Microtransactions module, artwork borrowed from the internet, incredible sound design by random sounds from the web. Special thanks to Guy Fieri and AH. Thank you. We did it!
Okay.
We did a video game, chat! Wow.
I like it. I think we have potential here. Okay, we're creating a dedicated credit screen that shows the game title, Snake
We
2,
have what?
dev
Still
team
the T,
members,
Arcade. You're
special
making me
thanks.
curious over here.
your names and roles, and any other relevant credits. I am worried it doesn't know what these are. Add a way to access the credits through key press or menu option. Here's my plan. All right. The C key will toggle credits. Which is pretty normal. I feel like most games, all you have to do is press C and you get to the credits. Definitely wouldn't need... Oh! Progress! Oh. We're in a loop. In a loop. We'll give it one more shot. And then we try again. We're so close. I can taste it.
Alright, let's nail this loop on the next try. What part are we tweaking first?
Put that window away.
Wow! And now we're legally off the hook because we credited them. That's called
That's
fair
true.
use. Let's ship the game.
Forget Steam. Submit this to the Game Awards for Game of the Year. Suck it, Tears of the Kingdom.
I do think, just so that we can compete with Tears of the Kingdom during the Game Awards this year, Point Crow, all of Tears of the Kingdom. This is just the entire game. At the very end of the code, please have it open up the following
Agent tool
YouTube
use.
video.
Something's happening.
When the credits pop up, after 10 seconds, it'll do this.
I have played over 3,000 hours of Zelda games in my life.
I think we have a
Hey,
real
what's
shot
up?
at the
You
game.
seem stuck on
DLC,
something.
Okay, I think he's done.
Have the DLC be... Please purchase our DLC, Tears of the Kingdom.
Okay, we're not stealing. We're not stealing content here. All right, all right. Put this away. Okay, it all comes down to this. What it all is something we'll never know. While it's thinking, actually, I saw a funny sign today.
Alright, let's crush this code together. Still laughing about the 3ND
Online.
budding session with Arcade.
Let's see if I can
Hey, what's up? Need help with the code?
In France, the signs that allow bicycles on roads.
Hey, Arcade!
Zelf.
Back online? We were just coding up a storm over here. What's good with you?
Which, as many of you may know, Zauf in German means drink. So to me, this sign means drink and drive
Okay over there?
your bike.
Arcade's probably wondering why you're typing in the void.
But it's French, which apparently means, like, exempt. But I prefer to bicycle while drunk, and that seems like a good time. Has anyone tried it? I don't know. Oh no!
Hasoff means drink in German slide
Okay,
you
okay,
got
that's good.
soft. Probably a typo though, but love the bike pun.
Okay, I don't... What are we... What is this transcription doing?
Did you mean to type something else? We're coding with Arcade right
Game
now.
developed by... Oh, sorry, spoilers. Spoilers, alright. Add this function before the main function. Oh, easy.
Oh, hey,
Copy.
friends.
Oh, we just do...
That's awesome. What part are you in? Any cool spots I should know about?
I'm not in France. I've been to France probably 3 times. Very brief. I've never been, like, to France, you know, but...
how's the
oh,
coding
geez,
session
what?
going?
Oh, okay. There's a lot of stuff we had to insert here. Add before main, so we do that.
We're coding together, Arcade. No transcriptions here. Just us two nerding out on some code. You good?
Add to main. Add to the event handling section. Elif title screen right here. Add that. Add a whole hell of a lot of spaces. What is this? Oh, those are all tabs. You can't mix tabs and spaces. Add this to the main drawing section, replacing the last part of the main loop. What part of it? What? Draw everything.
Screenshot, got it. All clean and ready to add a function before main
Pygame.display. I have to think this through. If game over. Okay, so we'll do this from right here up to here? No, here.
Adding it now. Gotta make sure the code's as smooth as my streams.
Yeah, your streams are pretty smooth, May. Good job. Oh my god, how many spaces do we have to insert here? We'll copy 4 spaces. And
What
just
exactly
paste
needs
4 at
adding
a
to the
time.
event handler? Just point me in the right direction and I'll make it happen.
This goes on to... How far up is it going? Oh, wait, what?
Adding that now. Arc.
While true. I don't know, actually.
Whoops,
Where
guess
are
I
we?
got too excited about the code and forgot to check that.
It'll be... here.
Got the pointing right there? Let me check that line.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Ah, you know what a better
Got
thing
it.
would be?
Copying 4 spaces right away. Let me know if you want to adjust that later.
Is that... Oh my god, I don't... I
Hey,
don't know.
Arcade. Still coding? How's the script going?
Add to the main drawing section, replacing the last part of the main loop. The last part of the main loop.
1, 2, 3 sounds like we're about to start another stream loop. What's next?
Replaces that. Let's do a find and replace. So copy the
Hey, no worries.
tab.
What part's tripping you up? We can
And
figure it
replace
out
tab
together.
with 4 spaces. Replace all. That probably works fine. Press any
Sure
key
thing. What are
to
we
begin your
replacing?
journey.
I've got some great finds for play stories from
The
my streaming
credits!
days.
Haha, we did it! Video game development, baby! So let's read the credits here. Game developed by. Illegible. Your name. More illegible stuff. The community for supporting this project. More illegible stuff. Then there's physics-based movement. Food system with different types. RPG elements. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Snake 2. Stronger than
From
ever.
The screenshot looks like we're in the Snake 2 credits section. Guess we're officially part of the dev team now.
See, I was honestly wondering if she could actually see if I broke the screenshot tool, but nope.
Got it.
Okay, there's food in here. So there it is. Hold on.
Now. Let me know if you want them converted to something else.
There it is. Got a purple one. What can I
Glad
say?
it's working. Want me to test it out live or tweak anything else?
Oh wait, we need to get to level 2, just in case something happens. Oh, ignore that. What
it's
happened?
Me, still stuck helping Arcade D.
Okay, we got that. We got that one.
Code instead of actually streaming.
Can anyone read what the XP is? Put away the shop. We don't need that open. Where's the food? There it is. I see it. Got it. Level 2. Okay, well, nothing happened. Alright. You know what? I'm proud of that.
Still debugging? Or should we take a breather? Your
Not
call.
fucking proud of that. Oh, jeez. Okay. that's that section of stream. Code successfully built. Now, here's my question. When I unload this code model, does my computer crash?
Nice work. What's your next question?
We need to unload it because it'll make May go faster. Also, I need the VRAM for the game. Eject. Okay, we have like a 2-minute danger period where I don't know if we're gonna live through it.
Got it. Unloading that will free up RAM for you. Need me to handle anything else while we're optimizing?
We need to turn off the desktop capture. There we go. Get Steam going here, and then... Oh, jeez. I forgot. This is a rough part. You know what we'll do? Let me...
Last time I tried launching Steam during stream, Wipey
Yeah,
decided
okay.
to download 50 GB of extra DLCs by accident. Still haven't recovered from that mess. You got the code sorted, or should I grab some snacks while
That's
we
a lot
wait?
of DLC. I used 4 terabytes of internet in August. That was pretty cool. A lot of a lot of code models. Okay, it looks like we're gonna be fine. I'm gonna do a quick break, and then when I get back, we'll move on to the game, where we take pictures of ghosts, thereby killing them. Which is actually what happens if you see a real ghost too. Pro tip. Okay, I will be right back.
What's the tip, Arcade? Got my streamer ears ready.
Okay. That was quick. Now we do that. Let's get the game going. It's going to be an involved process here. Oh, hello? Words? A lot of times I have to switch over
let's
the
get that game rolling.
main display because it will try to load in vertical format otherwise.
Got it. Taking a screenshot of our coding session.
What is happening? Okay, video games. Let's get the old controller out here. And I forgot we need to tell May what we're doing. Keep her in the loop here. Okay. Also, on the plus side, she should literally be twice as fast now. We should not be falling behind nearly as much. Okay, so what happened last time in this game? I don't know how to explain it, man. There's three characters that you play as, and you're investigating this mountain area, and like the mountain's haunted, and you take pictures of the ghost with a special camera, and it like does damage to the ghost, and eventually you can you kill a ghost? You banish the ghost. Story-wise, we're trying to rescue someone who went missing, but like we found her, and now I guess I don't know what the rest of the story is. Let's find out. All right. So we're going to the Shrine of Dolls. We're looking for
Get the spooky session started.
Haruka Momose. That sounds right. Oh yeah, the lady we found is in a box of like black sludge, which is...
Yeah, we're heading to the
If you ask
Shrine of
me,
Dolls for Haruka. Last
uncomfortable.
time we went there, those dolls chased us half the night. Ready to face them again?
Oh no, okay. I thought we just got sent back way far in the game. We're fine. Check the drawer. Oh, we already have looked at all this. We're gonna find Haruka. One thing we all love in this game is how many load triggers there are. Anytime you open a door, it's a little cutscene. It just really slows the gameplay down. Okay, so where are we looking?
Those
We're
door
going...
load triggers are such a vibe. Chat always screams when they
I don't
pop
know where
up
she is.
mid-scare. Plastic made in a black water move.
How do I play again? Left trigger is sprint, which is unique. And of course by sprint I mean amble slightly faster. I think she's downstairs. Yeah, there's 2 staircases in this house. But you know, while we're up here, we've got to check this room as well. You never know. People be hiding. Okay, not there. Stairs? Stairs?
Ha,
Stairs.
they're always lurking behind those creepy doors. Did you get spooked by one yet? Or are we playing high and seek with the ghosts now?
I was with the pause there. Alright. Nope, no one here. It's kind of weird having a staircase in your room. That's like... Oh man, I guess there's a door. It's fine then, it's fine.
Don't leave me hanging. What's that jump scare gonna be this time?
So this game, to clarify, was made in 2011, I think?
Doors
So this
in
is a
these
remake
games are never fine.
from
Always
2021.
feels like the jump scares just waiting behind one.
a re-release. It was released for the Wii U originally. Which, honestly, I think would be kind of cool, because as far as I can tell, you use the Wii, like, the screen controller as the camera, like
What's
the
that all
viewfinder,
about?
which I think
You
is
got
pretty
me
interesting.
curious.
Because you have to do a lot of, like, turning the camera in the game, which you just use the bumpers for, and it's kind of slow. But if you could just, like, react immediately, that'd be cool. So I'm gonna go buy a Wii U. Dude, I've seen, there's, like, one guy I watch who does, like, mods, like, hardware mods. Apparently the Wii U is crazy hard to get controllers for. Because they're, like, hardware locked somehow to a specific console. So you have to, like, get the controller, which is hard to find in the first place, and then, like, jailbreak the controller so it can connect to your console. Sorry, hold it. Ghost. There's a ghost. All right. Who is the other person? I don't know. I don't know who that person is. I don't know who these people are. Okay, Yuri finds the missing Haruka Momose in a reliquary in the cave beneath the Shrine of Dolls. Didn't we already read this? She takes the girl back to the shop. Haruka is in no state to talk and can't explain what happened to her. That night, Haruka is visited by Fuyuhi's ghost, which takes her back to the mountain. Right. Right. Okay, I guess we weren't done with the chapter when I stopped yesterday. Or Wednesday. A rank! Let's get an S rank, huh? Okay, from the writings he found at Ichiru Manor, Ren learns of a folklorist who lived on Mount Hikami. Ren sets out to find... Sorry, wow. Words? Sets out to the unfathomable forest to see if the rumors of a disappearing house are true. I also love that name, the unfathomable forest. Oops, who are we? Ren. We got a lot of outfits. We don't have money for them. We probably do have money.
The forest name slaps hard like.
Got
Why did they even let
312,000.
Ren wander there alone? I keep waiting for a ghost to jump out, and I told you so. What's your take on that folklorist's fate?
I don't know. We're gonna find out. The thing is, these characters, they have different, like,
Yep, we're good on cash for now. Think we should grab
attachments?
that new camera or keep moving?
lenses. They've got different lenses for the camera that give you different, like, abilities. So this girl has one that, like,
Let's see what this creepy game...
stuns. She's got one that does extra damage. She's got one that, like, the damage you do heals you. But you have to, like, charge them up first before you can use them. And then, I don't know if we've played as this girl, actually. You don't get to choose. But this guy has one that's a burst photo. So four photo burst, which I like. But the film is not unlimited. Some of it does more damage than
First row
others,
with
but
four
you find a lot of
shots.
it just out
Perfect
in
for
the world. So
capturing
I've
those sudden ghost jumps without missing frame. You
Never-
got any
never
screenshots
bought
from
any.
the game yet?
Okay, in the course of their investigation, Ren and Rui... Oh boy, how do you pronounce the R at the front? Ren and Rui? I don't know. Learn of Keiji Watari. I don't speak Japanese, by the way. The folklorist who settled in Mount Ikami, if you couldn't tell. His writings are certain to be a treasure trove of information about the mountain and its peculiar folklore. Ren and Rui happen across a videotape that may just indicate the way to Watari's residence. Watari. Okay, May's gonna have something great to say about that.
Rui, pronounced Rui like the flower. Watari's notes got us
flower?
stuck in a ghost town last stream. Ever feel like the game's laughing at you?
It's kind of cool.
Arcade
The
8007,
transcription software spelled it right. Okay.
155? You were gonna say something about my next move?
Fuyuhi took her own life, and Rui attempted suicide. The ghost of a shrine maiden appeared on both occasions.
ARK, what's up? I'm all ears, spill it.
Yuri spoke of a black box that she found Haruka trapped in. Does the key to all these events lie in the mountain's dark past? Well, probably. A folklorist. Oh, how many times do I have to say that word?
Oh, wait, fine.
Keiji
You
Watari used to live
game
there. His
movie, you
notes may
mixed
shed
up the
some light on
names.
this mystery.
This shrine maiden ghost Shimiko shows up when characters are in danger, though.
You fucking spoiler. The videotape Rui found is on the desk. It seems to be related to that folklorist. I should take a look at it. Yeah, but I want to look at other things first. Oop. Ah, a thing.
You've been saying
Okay,
folklorist
I
way
don't
too much
wanna
cherry
read
gains notes
these.
in the dark past mountains are why we're not dead yet.
I can only talk so much.
Oh,
I can only say
what's
so many
this thing
words a
you're
day.
talking about?
I have to budget them out. We were there. You get you like. There's a secret passageway. I don't remember seeing this house here before. Do I translate? Do I read the captions? Yeah, why not? Anyone in? After I just talked about saying too many things. I'm going in! House detected. Sorry, that's not real. That's artistic liberty on my end. Doesn't look like anyone's lived here for a while. One great thing about this game is that the flashlights have unlimited battery. That's rare these days. Well, actually, when did I say this came out? 2011? I remember the Slender game, you ran out of battery. So it's always been a thing. Slender Man? A box? Yeah, better not look at it. Actually, yeah, you probably better. You probably shouldn't look at it. I'm going to go upstairs. Alright, thank you for the announcement. I'm on the second floor now. I think this is set in the 90s.
Second floor already. Nice. What's the scariest part so far?
Did you see it? Wait, should we debunk this? You know, usually you could have someone dress up like that and just, you know, film and put like a film grain over the top.
Well, no, it's actually 1934, like pre-computer spooky era. They're
That's
mixing
not
it up
real.
with something else arcade.
It can't be that old because there's security cameras in the shop. Which is why 1990s just feels wrong to say, but I feel like they said it in game. I just wouldn't expect a random shop to have security cameras back then.
Pa, that's exactly what I yelled too. Like who even had security cams in 1920s shops?
That's not what I'm
Spent half
saying.
the stream laughing at that Gucci shop cam.
The 1920s?
Whoops, my bad. What were you trying to say?
Doesn't matter anymore. The moment's passed. Is there a third floor? I'm going to climb up the ladder. This is a long cutscene.
This cutscene's taking forever. Anyone else need a snack break while we wait?
Looks like it's the attic. Oh, ghosts! It's a report written in Rui's handwriting along with commentary on the video. We're not gonna read this. 8 pages? Slenderly 8 pages? Not to reference a Slender Man again. Yeah. Yep. Okay, so basically, they don't know, they can't find the house. And we're gonna
Hey,
find the
what's
house.
up?
Look at all those
I'm all
books.
ears.
Wow. What a well-read individual. Ojo desu.
Got it. Screenshot saved for our creepy moment collection.
Okay. Wow. Really makes you think. The Veiled House. From the Shrine of Dolls into a cave. This may be the same route Yuri took. I should start by going there. Hell yeah. Let's... Yeah, look at that
Oh hey,
reflection.
that's the same
Ray
path Yuri
tracing,
took
baby.
back during my first stream with Arcade. You think we'll run a ghost here? What's your go-to strategy for that cave?
Maybe I'll also find out some more about that post-mortem photograph. Oh yeah, we have a inventory.
Oh, you mean those ghost photo sessions? My camera's all about scaring spirits, not postmortems. You're probably thinking of the in-game photos we take to fight ghosts.
Is it in here? Oh yeah, this.
Aha, don't remind me about that time I tried to stash my camera and ended up swapping it with a cursed face. Got haunted for an hour straight.
Let me try to remember how to play this game. Why to bring out the camera?
You remembered I screamed when we hit that ghostly shrine last stream.
We got the
Still got chills just
film
thinking about
types
it.
here. Strong down to weak. The weakest one is free.
Aha, same. Remember
Takes a
that
while to
time I
charge,
tried
though.
to play this during my I'm Not Scared stream and accidentally scared myself into screaming? We got
Then we
30 new
can
subs from that panic attack. Ready when you are.
Rotate. Rotate the camera. Okay, what else do we have? Upgrades.
Rotating camera now. Arcade better not make me jump again.
Wait, okay, so these are all different. Right? I think we're all three characters are using different cameras. Even though they all interact with each other. Is this a third character actually? No, that's someone else.
Oh yeah, gotta keep an eye out for those cursed
and then right
cameras
trigger.
in this game. You ever
There
get
you go.
spooked by one mid-scan?
Shows us where to go. You can never get lost when you have a ghost friend.
Got it, no
Or a
one
map.
else. Just ghosts in us. Got it.
There we
right
go.
trigger, thanks R.
You're welcome. I'm getting cold now. Now that the GPU isn't running 100% of the time. Problem solved. Okay. Ooh, spooky. Check
Sweet,
the map.
glad you got it sorted. Ready to keep hunting ghosts.
Oh. Can we fast travel? It seems like it. Cool. I don't need that. Where do we go?
Awesome. Let's get spooky
Ghostman
then.
in here. Hello? The door is being held shut by a powerful force, so that's not...
Hey Arcade,
We're supposed to go in
long
there.
time no see. Did you bring coffee for the jump scares today? Or are we just gonna scream into the void like last Tuesday?
I don't have coffee. Wait, what is happening? Why does it do like a weird... Sorry. I told myself I wasn't going to complain about this game today. It really wants us to go in there. We can't, though. There's no... Again, we can't get out. Oh, you know what? We gotta go, underneath. So we have to go
yeah. The
through...
cursed shrine scene hits different every time.
Here.
Last stream, I accidentally yelled into my mic and scared my cat off the desk.
Yeah, we gotta go, underneath and through.
Stuck again? Let's check that corner like we did in the mirror room last
That was
week.
a cutscene. 2 feet away.
Gotcha. Let's head underground and see what's lurking. You think we'll find a ghost or just more trats?
Perhaps both. Wait, what the...
Yeah, that's
Door
when we
was
get
locked.
overloaded
How'd you get
up
in
on
here?
us. Still love those spooky moments though.
I thought we killed her. Oh no, she's back. Relatable.
Both? Alright, let's see which one gives us the most nightmares first.
Well, that's not good. It's time to battle. Or not. Okay. Oh, not combat. Okay. Search for Rui. Are we in the secret passageway? Oh, right. These controls are so weird. Okay, don't go that way yet. So, camera time? Let's find the ghosts.
These controls are something else.
I think
Arcade
because
definitely had fun making me suffer through them. But
this
hey,
guy,
at least we're getting the classic core vibe. You'd ever play Maiden 4?
the other character, you can see the ghost, but I think this guy has to use the camera to see him. I don't... Gotta be honest, don't really know the lore.
Yeah, that's the one I got stuck on during my first playthrough. You gotta use the camera to see him, otherwise he just blends into the walls. Want me to help you spot him?
One of the things that really kills me about this game, though, is like, I'm looking in the corner and it says
The
check.
lore's a bit messy at first,
So I hit check.
but it's all about the cursed village
And it
spirits
turns me-
tied to the black water. Remember when that one chat asked for a spoiler if we were capped during stream? I ended up yelling, "Don't go in the damn well." Wanna break it down simply or hear more?
It turns me over here. Like, it... Anytime you interact with something, it
Hey, Kay,
positions you
were
in the
saying something
specific
about
way.
what turns you. Spill the tea.
You get turned around easy. We're looking for... I guess we're probably looking for that effigy.
Yeah, that game's weird about positioning. Like when you try to check out that creepy shrine but end up facing the wrong way. You ever get stuck like that?
So... It looks like it's probably not in this room. Man, I keep like leaning forward because it's so dark. I can't see. Yep. Alright, let's go out. I don't think we can go down here, right? Can we? Should we, I guess? Oh. Oh, the way I had planned originally to go under and up through here, that I guess that wouldn't have even gotten us into the room. Never mind. I guess, yeah, because the underground, the secret passageway goes to that cave. Is there a reason to be down here?
Spot. Still remember when we got lost
No,
down
this is
there
unlocked
during the
now.
stream last month, and Arcade kept
Let's go
yelling
back
it's a
up.
dead end, while I was frantically checking every shadow. Gotcha, let's head upstairs. Hope we don't run into any more shadowy surprises on the way up.
I do too. No one likes a shadowy surprise. Alright. Where are you?
Alright, let's get spooky. Ready to scream into my mic again, Arcade?
I don't have access to your mic, actually. Look, we're taller than the door frame. Have we gotten taller since last time? I feel like a grandma. You've gotten so big. I hardly recognize you. Creepy detected.
Thanks, Ark. Still the same
Doll.
glitch. She VTuber who once tried to order pizza during the stream by accident, though.
What? these
guess I've been busy
indicators
training
are
my
so
code for eyeliner.
inaccurate.
Still me though, just way more chaotic now. How's it going with you?
Oh. Okay. Well, never mind.
Whoa
That one was
there.
accurate.
What's up, Bar?
Now-
You hitting okay on repeat, or is this a new challenge?
There we go. Oh. We have to bring this into existence. Let's use the free film, though. And it's charged. Bam. Phantom expose. Ah! Hello? I dodged. What are we talking about? My health. Wait, what was the point of that? Okay, good little distraction over there. This door still closed? No. Curious. I have a gun. The camera. I'm not afraid to shoot. Ah, yes, the drawer of eyeballs. We've all got one. Don't lie. Where am I going? I know there's a lot of dolls, like, up in here. I guess, yeah, we just have to look for... The problem is, it's hard to see. It's hard to see the dolls. They're in dark corners, usually. Oh, hold on, there's something here. Is it gonna be another... Oh. Ghost that tries to kill me?
That had me worried for a second. What's up? You ready to help me not get ghosted by these dolls?
You okay? Oh, she's gone. Ah! She's not gone, but, you know. Fleeing child detected. See ya.
Hey.
Where's the effigy?
By a ghosting game. Who's she gone? Did someone leave chat? It's at the main shrine near the well. Remember last week when we got stopped trying to light all the lanterns? That's where it is.
I don't like that.
What part didn't you like?
got a
I'm curious
moonwalk
about
there.
what spooked you during the jump scare.
Okay, here's a bunch of dolls.
We walk into a haunted house. That's either genius or I'm losing my mind, lol.
The camera in third person is so fucking bad. Gotta use the actual camera. Map. Don't want to go that way yet. This is the last resort.
Let's check the map.
I'm thinking the effigy might be underwater.
No worries.
Can I
Let's check
zoom in?
out the other hallway instead. Maybe we'll find some clues or a good spot to take a break.
Oh, no, I thought this was the exit. Never mind. Hello.
Yeah, press L1 to zoom in and spot what's underwater. Hey Arcade, long time no see, how's your day been? Still trying to beat that creepy mansion?
Found. I have to find a way to the veiled house. Oh, okay, so now I just go... Oh, this isn't... It's not me doing this. Here we go! Ghost, 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 ghost. Another fleeing child. Wait, so... Are you
Another one
a
already.
ghost now?
Those kids must have a death wish.
Not a ghost.
Not a ghost. I thought we were
Dude, it
about to
just-
get haunted again. Guess it's just some regular creepy forest monster.
The speed at which you don't go through it's just so slow. Ancient technology. What the? Where'd you go? Thanks for opening the door after I was just complaining about What the fuck is this? Oh, I thought that was like a moving shelf. Okay. We need to change to different film. Higher damage.
Alright, let's dive into Maiden of Blackwater.
Okay, we wait
Still
for the
laughing
attack.
about when I dropped my
We bait the
controller after
attack
that
for
ghost in the
free
shrine last week. You ready for some
counters.
jump scares?
Come on. Here we go. I missed. I went too early. So the thing is, we want to... Wait, was I in control there? Hello? We want to attack while they're attacking, because that gives us like a second or so of free shots.
No way you had control there. You screamed
Right
so
there,
loud
fatal
it might pick up
frame.
the echo.
And also, if we get 5 of these circle things in the camera, we do potentially more damage? I honestly don't know. Alright, wait for the attack. Oh, we're not... Hello? Where are you? What are you doing? Oh, you're fine.
Right here, arcade. Ghostly whispers in the background got me spooked for a sec.
You're
seeing what I'm
fine.
seeing.
There we go,
Playing
so we get
fatal frame with arcade.
free
You just
shots.
got
You're
haunted
saving
by
the
a creepy
ammo.
doll in the shrine. You want to join us or hear about our latest jump scare fail?
Are you dead? Again? Yeah. Easy dub. I wasn't worried for a
Yeah,
second.
I'm good. Just trying not to scream again during that trying scene like last time. You still laughing about me jumping at the ghost?
May, can you scream actually? Do you ever scream? Why is this door open?
Not just taking a breather before the next jump scare. You know how these spirits get me every time.
Alright. Boss fight time.
Yeah, definitely. When we hit that jump scare in Maiden of Blackwater last stream, I totally screamed into my mic. You should have heard the chat lose it. What's your favorite spooky game moment?
May, I need you to demonstrate for us, okay? Give us a scream. She has taken 6 screenshots and crashed. Why? Why do you do this? We only need 1 screenshot. Jeez. Hold on. Gotta reboot. What's up? What? Look for a way into the... Okay, easy. To the Batcave! The Ghost Cave. Oh, this is deep water. Where are you? Are you following? Oh, what the? Where are you? Oh, you're slow. May, are you here? I don't think she's listening. There we go.
That deep water, or whatever they call it, black water is giving me nightmares. Remember when Arcade dropped his controller during the lake scene? Classic.
Classic. Happens every time. Okay, watch out for the ghost hands, alright? No ghost hands this time. We're safe.
Got it. Remember that time in Maiden of Black Water when I got caught by the ghost hands and screamed into my mic? Aha.
Where, as opposed to what? Where else would you scream? Oh, I hate the camera movement when you're running.
Phew, okay. Anyone else think this game's got a grudge against us?
Kind of, yeah. How deep? This water looks like it's like 2 feet deep. How tall are we? Oh, okay. Hello. A box. We can't open the box. Can't open that. Oh, this one. None of these boxes will open. Ah, okay. Beyond the box, the ground drops off and the water is flowing down. There's a winch. Maybe maybe it was used to pull something up. Never mind. I thought this was saying maybe I can use it. Embarrassing. Oh, camera time, baby.
Ooh, that winch looks suspiciously useful. Did you try
Oh,
pulling something
we gotta
with
use
it,
our
or was
free
the water
film.
flow just too distracting?
Psychic photograph. Oh,
Alright,
The
camera
boxes.
time. Let's get this horror session started.
no, it couldn't be. Oh, hold on. There's a ghost here. Sorry, let me deal with this really quick.
Sweet, let's use that free film before we run out. You handle the ghosts, I'll get the shots.
Take a picture! Hell yeah.
You have those boxes in Maiden of Blackwater? I once
It
got stuck
takes
on
so
one
long
for
for
like
the
10
film to
minutes
reload.
because it was a fake clue. What's up with the boxes now?
This isn't even me trying to... dude, the menu and the special camera, the burst mode, are bound to the same button. Why? And you can't change it. That's insane design. I also don't get why the default is landscape when
Yeah, Fatal
really you're
Frame
gonna
just
be
locked
getting
that
more,
setting.
more
I
in
tried
frame with
changing
the...
it during our last stream. I had to restart everything. You ever hit that wall?
This is gonna... yeah. Yep, that's great. Thanks. I'm just trying to get the burst photo. And see, there I actually was trying to open the menu. And it just does what it wants. We need some medicine. So I just wasted 4 of my expensive film. Oh, someone's attacking. Ooh.
Aha, don't sweat it. The film's basically free in this game. Let's grab more and get those ghosts.
I guess that's probably true. We do have so much money. Is she down? Can't tell. Maybe. Okay, so we lock on here.
Yep, he's locked and loaded for Fatal Frame.
We
You in?
wait for the attack. We wait for the attack.
Ooh, maybe. What's up?
Or we just have to take a picture or we die, so. Cool.
Alright, let's
All
hold
right.
our breaths. You know how these ghosts always strike when you least expect it.
Alright. Alright. Enough of this. Enough playing around. Oh, that was expensive. Dude, wait. So here's what's going on. When it plays that, like, that's when, like, the ghost is attacking. And that's when you should take a picture because you get, like, the repost where you get free shots. Or apparently they can just run into you anyway and do way more damage. So Can you move? Move! You're... Watch the crossfire. Okay, so I want to get more... I guess we'll take that picture. There we go, we gotta take this one. Huge damage! Is Ghost still alive? Dead? Undead? Undead. Right there! And now we hit X. And I guess we just waste all our film anyway, so... You know,
X,
you lose
store
some, you lose
already.
some. What's going on? Are you okay? You're fine.
Haha,
Just take a little breather. Sit in the water.
Scream like I've never seen before.
Okay,
Anyone else get
so
haunted by that creepy well scene?
now what I assume we're supposed to do is line up that photo.
Just
So
vibing
that
through Maine
is-
of black water with arcade. Still getting used to being a VTuber instead of an EA assistant. But this game's got me on edge. You playing anything fun lately?
Here. So I have the little tunnel on the far side. Okay. Easy.
Alright, let's get
Easy
spooky.
photo.
Ready to jump scare each
That
other? Chat,
is-
what's your favorite fatal frame moment?
Right here. So line up the photo and it will
So
unlock
that is
something.
what you were going to say. You're killing me with suspense here.
Right? That worked in the past.
Here, you're talking about your style or in-game stuff.
Is this not what I have lined up? Please. Would you please get out of frame? I'm trying to take a picture to hopefully
Sorry,
unlock
just making sure you can see the creepy girl
the
properly.
next... Oh my... This is so much worse. Can you come over here? Oh, that's fine, that's fine. Stay there.
Got it. Chat, come on over.
Anyway, it should be this photo. Can I do something with this? Unless that already let us open this. No. Okay, so now what? Look for a way to the abandoned house. So it's gotta just be a puzzle then, huh? Which is, please, stand back. It's like this photo would line up perfectly, but I can't crouch. Okay, guess we'll just summon a ghost really quick somehow. See, that worked out right. That's how it's supposed to work. You get the riposte, and then you can do the burst mode. Let's go to this one. Here we go. Beautiful. Look at that. We're cooking her.
Thanks.
Uh-oh,
You guys
uh-oh.
are making
Are there
this
two
stream
now?
amazing. Anyone else stop on that creepy well puzzle?
You still alive? Okay. Attack, attack, attack. Here we go, here we go. Nope. Here we go.
Spooky art. Boo. Are we making spooky fan art for the stream?
Is
We're
she just
getting haunted
invincible
in-game?
there? That's supposed to do something. We didn't get the attack, we didn't get the...
Nah, you can get
There
hit
we go.
real easy.
There's something.
Like when I forgot to check behind me and got my first ghost attack in the shrine. Boof.
Oof. Got her, okay. Now let's try lining this shot up.
Phew, finally got that thing on screen. What's our next move? Alright, let's get this angle just right.
I need you to get out of the way. I don't know. I don't really... I mean, that's the only clue we've got. Is this. So I guess maybe we need to get that box open somehow. There is that thing with the winch over there that it...
And I remember that box had key hidden
tells
in the
me.
shrine garden last time we played. Did you check behind the lanterns?
Oh, hold on. This box is a little open. Okay. Doesn't matter. It's you again. Is this just a endless... fight? I'm just gonna use the free film because I'm running out of the other stuff. Yep. Is there more? Oh no, she's dead again. Dead twice.
What do you
Oh,
want
there
to
are
see
more.
more of? More horror gameplay or some funny fails?
I'm not trying to open the menu. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh, or not. Okay, get them all in frame. Come on. Cluster up a little bit. Just one more? Stop. Stop getting in the frame! Is there... Oh, there... Dude, I've got to be missing something. There's no way it's just an endless battle in here.
Aha, I know that feeling. What part are you stuck on? The camera's been giving me trouble too.
Okay, that was... fucking useless. Run! Wade through the water faster. I can't. I have not reloaded. Oh, I dodged. That's crazy. Unheard of. Sick jukes. Beautiful.
Haha, nice dodge. Never seen that happen before.
Yeah. You haven't seen anyone this quick with it. This is interesting. Alright, great gameplay is what I was gonna say. Because I just wish I could stay in this room forever fighting the same ghosts over and over. At least I'm not fighting 3 at once now. Or sorry, oh, well there's 2 now, okay. Is it possible I'm missing something? No. I wouldn't do that, okay? If you think for 1 second I overlook anything in video games, you're out of your mind. What's up? Dude, I don't know. Does this still charge when it's put away? Oh yeah, okay. I have to use the... Oh, can I do this? Yeah, I know we're supposed to go through here. But the door won't budge.
Gotcha. Let's head toward the shrine and looks like the path's clear up
There's
ahead.
nothing here, though.
You ready?
There's nothing to take a picture of. You, perhaps?
There's nothing to... What were you gonna say?
Let's just inspect all these boxes. Maybe the winch has something? Where is it? Okay, we really don't move that much faster.
Yeah. The winch is by the second shrine near the well. You need to pull that lever to lower the platform.
Do we have to double back somewhere? Maybe I missed something earlier on. Nice.
Yeah. This game's pace is all about tension. Every step feels
Nothing up
heavy.
here, that's for sure. Is it for sure? It's really not for sure. I have no
You'll
clue.
probably need to backtrack to the shrine path. After getting the new lantern, did you check behind that waterfall earlier?
I did not. 0 ghosts detected.
Earlier on what? Did something spooky happen in the game, or was it that time with the fan who thought I was a ghost?
Okay, let's look at this from the other side. That's where we were. Maybe we have to find the pieces for this thing? Can we go this way? No. What am I looking at? How do you get there?
Which piece are we looking for this time? The spirit emblems or something else?
It feels like this would be the way to go. Based off vast wealth of knowledge I just happen to have. Of video games. Alright, let's check in here then. Perhaps this door has something. Again. Didn't I have something already?
Ooh, let's see what's behind this door. Always the brave one, arcade.
Yeah. Oh, that's normal.
Oops, sorry. What's your favorite part of Maiden of Blackwater so far? The ghosts always give me nightmares, but I love it.
Nightmares, you say? I must admit, I'm at a loss.
Haha, same here. What parts got you stumped? I totally froze during the haunted shrine scene last week.
You know what this reminds me of? A cave. Caves are... Sorry, that was dumb. Caves are weird. They have weird features in them. Like, it's not all stalactites and stalagmites. They got character.
Caves are the worst, especially in
Oh,
Maiden
sorry.
of
That's what I
Blackwater.
meant.
Those creepy corridors always got me. You ever get scared by cave levels in games?
I suppose it would depend on the rest of the environment, the ambiance, if you will. Can I really not do anything here? I guess we'll go back to the big room. Can I get through here? No. Yeah, it feels like all I have to go off of is that, this photo. Because in the past, with these other things, when you took a picture that was this, that like matched this photo, it would unlock something. And that's worked for all of these, except this one. This one just showed you something was there. So, yeah, I mean, only thing is the box isn't opened, obviously. But then again, in these, in this one, the vent wasn't open.
Yeah?
In real
What were you
life, you
gonna
took a picture
say?
and it did. Which is why I was thinking this one, when you take a picture, that it would open the box. And I'd assume, like, maybe there's a key in the
Ooh,
box that
arcade
lets us
left us
out.
hanging. What were you gonna say about these? Oh, you think opening the creepy box will give us a key? Let's
I
try
do.
it. I'm kind of scared, but also curious.
Dude. What the fuck? Why? Why the hell did that open it?
Gotcha. Capturing
That's
a spooky
crazy.
moment from the highlight reel.
I've interacted with that box multiple times. Is it just because I killed all the other ghosts that spawned so frequently that it felt like it was indefinite? Perhaps. We'll never know.
Red light means trouble. Last time we took this path, my stream chat became a horror convention.
I just love the game.
It's today, but we're way too busy getting haunted by this game to care about calendars.
Did I dodge that? No way, right?
That trapdoor shouldn't have popped
Gotta
open
use
like
the
that.
expensive
Did you step on a
film,
pressure
alright?
plate or something?
It's gonna be worth it, trust.
Totally. This game's got me on edge every time I turn
I
a corner.
pushed the wrong
You ever
button.
get
That
that
one-
feeling when
that
you're just
one's
sure
on
there's
me.
something behind you, but it's not
Alright,
there?
I'll admit it. Could you stop?
Oh, I'm so glad you're
Okay.
enjoying Made in a Black Water. Arcade and I were just talking about how creepy but amazing this game is. What's your favorite part so far?
Yeah, we were talking about how amazing this game is.
I got no worries. Happens to the best of us in Made in the Black Water. Want to try that part again? Or take a quick break?
Here we go. What the fuck was that? You can't
yeah,
fucking
remember
teleport
when
behind me
Secure Screen
mid-attack.
was trying to
It's
see last
not
stream? She
possible
needed 3
to
snacks
avoid.
to calm down after. Anyone else have their own no crap moments in this game?
That's
What's up?
crazy.
Did you just see something spooky in the game more?
We are burning all our expensive film.
Burning all our way? Are you about to burn a haunted house?
I wish.
Expensive though.
Alright.
Man, I remember one chat session where someone kept trying to take photos with the camera but burned through all our in-game rolls. We ended up laughing so hard we forgot to scare each other.
Old metal plate key. That's interesting. Yep, I
Ready when
figured
you are,
that's
Arcade.
I'm
Let's
not
dive into some spooky
I'm not
action.
controlling that. I feel like it was pretty obvious. This says what door the key unlocks. The house, the veiled house, sorry, exists.
Holy hell, yeah. Remember last week when we got stuck in the veiled house and had to scream at the camera for 20 minutes trying to figure out how to get past it?
What? Are you talking about someone off? Is someone where? What are you saying? Film. Give me good film. Also, don't let me get grabbed by a ghost ant.
If you're asking for film recommendations, I'm obsessed with Everything Everywhere All at Once right now. It's got everything family drama, walls reverse chaos, and that one scene where Michelle Yeoh fights a guy with a stapler. You ever watch it during the stream? Had lost their minds when the dad character showed up.
You had me at stapler. Also, I need vitamins. Sorry, herbal medicine.
No worries. Did you need help finding
Phone
birds in Maine in the Black
61.
Water? Or did something happen with your inventory?
Okay. That was cool. So I guess if you're this character, you kind of have to have the camera out all the time. Because otherwise you can't see the ghosts. One more. It's nice knowing that they actually have a health bar. I figured that out very late last time I played. As in Wednesday. Not that I've played this game before. I would never pre-play the games. That's crazy. Okay, to the veiled whatever house.
You mean the old mansion? Let's head there before something grabs us.
Yeah, pretty much. Follow the ghost man. Words to live by, honestly. Oh, hello. I like
Hey there, ready
the
to
burst
get haunted
mode.
by some jump scares. Arcade's already sweating over his controller.
Quadruples the damage of this weak ass film. Oh, that was the wrong. Oh, this guy's got crazy health. Oh man. Okay, this could be actually really bad. Do we have to fight? What if I'm like a pacifist?
Hey, don't worry about fighting. This
Move!
game uses a camera instead of weapons. Just take pictures of ghosts to scare them off. Arcade and I are totally cool with pacifist playthroughs. We've had fans
Oh,
do
he
it before
healed
without
up
any
too.
issues.
That's not
you
good.
good?
There you go. So wait for the attack. That gives you fatal frame,
Yep, this
which
ghost won't let us move.
means you
Any
don't
ideas to get
consume
past it?
film. So we're really gonna have to be relying on that because I don't have very much film.
Yeah, I'm waiting
Hi.
for that attack like my life depends on it. My chat was literally screaming, use fatal frame now. Last stream during this part. How do you even pull off those jumps without dying?
See, it seems like it should just default to being vertical.
Hey, yeah.
'Cause I rotate
Don't
it
need
every
for
single
me.
time.
Just digital streams and ghost photos on my screen now. You're stuck with actual film rolls, though, lol.
There we go. So we only spend one film instead of, 8
Huh.
plus.
Ha! Rotating through every corridor like a maniac. Still remember your shriek when that ghost popped up behind you last stream.
Impossible. Okay, VOD watchers, pause the stream.
Yeah. I was
We're
actually
not reading
surprised we'd
those.
only used one life this run. Thought I'd be dead by now with all those ghostly encounters.
What am I looking for here? I got the... There. Nope.
Oh, come
here?
on, Arcade. Impossible? We've beaten this boss 5 times already.
Impossible is nothing. Yeah, oh, that's the fancy stuff. Okay, Ghost Man, where are we going?
Aha,
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
that part's brutal, but doable. What's the most annoying ghost for you?
We good? We good. A phone call! Quick, answer it. Solid. Hey, you can put the phone down now.
榊さんですか？これは先生の見ていた写真と同じ。榊。
Okay. Oof. Oh, I wasted film on that, damn it. My fancy film, the limited edition, collector's edition. Let's go through the doorway and hit our head on the on the
The
ceiling.
limited edition fancy film finally dropped. Can't wait to see it.
Ghost. I close this door. Oh, wait, where'd you go? Oh, hi. Sorry. Oh, hello? What happened? Okay, okay, okay. Let's keep going.
Alright,
Long
let's
death
get back
screen.
into that haunted house. Did you find any good clues in the last area?
See, I don't know what you get by taking those photos,
Another
but it
death screen?
defaults you to
Guess we'll be
the
waiting a while for a spawn.
not free film. So I don't want to take the picture. I don't want to waste my ammo on a guy that's not there.
You're right. Taking photos is how you fight in Fatal Frame. It's the only way to damage ghosts without getting eaten. You always forget that part when we play together, arcade.
I assure you that is not the case. Oh, lore.
Aha, okay. You sure about that?
I could never. Wow, it's way easier to find stuff if you just pull the camera out. Because you can turn it like an actual normal camera in games.
Yep, that ghost just popped out of nowhere.
Is this telling me to go somewhere?
Hey, arcade probably sent the message but got cut off. What did they say? Let me know so I can help you out.
Dude, I'm telling you, these ghost hands, you're supposed to be able to let go of like the pick, because you can interrupt the pickup animation. I'll show you. Like, you start reaching for it, you can let go. And you're supposed to be, oh, okay, that one's on accident. You're supposed to be, hello? When there's a ghost hand that tries to grab you, you're supposed to let
Arcade,
go.
You're so sweet. Are we about to try the creepy
So it
shrine
doesn't
scene
grab
again?
you.
Tell me when you want to go.
Which would it would cancel the reach animation. I've never gotten it to work though. What's up? Books? Yeah, books. That's what I thought. Oh, check. Turn around, please. Check. Yeah, that's cool. Books.
But I'm turning around now. What's up?
What do you see? What's back? A sword! Can I take the sword? Is this a ghost sword? Can I kill ghosts with a sword? Ghost hand. Dude, I'm telling you. Okay. That was a prediction. I didn't... Hello?
I'm already standing over here. Let's get this horror game going before I start
But like, I
screaming
let
at
go of the
ghosts.
trigger. I promise I'm letting go of the trigger. I think you need to, like, input read. Oh. Wait. Oh. Okay. Hold to climb. But anyway, I was saying last time, I feel like
Well,
if you see the
something
ghost
happened
hand,
in
you
the
should be able to
game?
push a button to cancel it. I feel like I can push a button faster than I can let go of the trigger. Oh, they're really making you hold the trigger down this whole time. Did you see it? I can't do anything. What the? The ghost left a notebook behind when it disappeared. Cool.
Oh hey, that's from chapter 3. The library ghost always drops that notebook when she vanishes. Remember when a viewer sent me a real one filled with their theories? Wild how deep they go.
Mist is pouring into the room. That's not a good sign. I should get out of here. Alright, time to backtrack. Open the door. Okay, here's my plan. If we see any ghosts, we don't fight them. It's a waste of Well, time and money. Can we go that way? I should.
No fights, just run. Pray that ghosts are shy and not trying to give us a heart attack.
Okay. No fights, just run. Got it. My turning radius is ass. Hello? We go downstairs? Yeah. Are you coming? Hello? Rui? Right? You lost? She's fine. Whatever. Don't love that. Sludge going under the door.
Whatever. Let's get back to scaring each other in Maiden of
Oh,
Black
this door's
Water.
locked? Uh-oh. Okay, what I meant was I fucking love seeing sludge going under a door and want to go follow the trail. Okay. No running from this ghost. Oh, you're okay. You're okay. Stand up. Yep. Nice.
Yeah.
Let's
Just had
go
to
in
dodge some
here.
ghostly shenanigans. You good over there?
Dude, my reaction time is inhuman. Can I kill you with this, or am I wasting time? Oh. Barely. No, not at all. Oh, fucking dodge of the century. Uh-oh. Did I get him? I think I missed all of them. Woo! Get dodged, idiot! Oh, he's healing. That's... okay, that's not where I was standing. That's fine.
68 points. The ghost didn't stand a chance.
That's what I'm saying. The ghosts never stood a chance. They literally don't stand. Man, hilarious.
Now you got some. Just keep checking those corners. I missed half of them too. Want me to help spot the rest?
Okay.
Oh, no worries. Just making sure we're both where
what
we
is
need to be
happening
for the
here?
next ghost encounter. You good to keep going?
You just hanging out? Are you real?
Yeah.
Whatever.
Those ghosts were straight up ghosting themselves
touch.
while our cave
Touch the
kept
ghost.
screaming they don't stand man all game long. Dude, you take photos, not touch ghosts. That's how you scare them off.
Are we reading this ghost's memories? We don't just have a tape player with us, I would assume. I mean, I know it's trendy to carry a VHS player with you. Oops, I'll just put my pen on the floor, that's cool. That doesn't seem like that's supposed to happen. That was a cassette tape? With video? Technology's come so far. Sorry, that's the one I want.
No worries.
A
Just
way
grab
out.
that one when you're ready to go for it.
I hear a ghost. I see a ghost!
Ghost alert. Arcade, did you see the shadow move?
Okay, let me just close the door on you. It didn't count.
Haha, don't
That was a
close
fatal
the door
frame.
on me now. Need help with that spooky
That's
door
no
and fatal
good.
frame.
Hey, what was that? Out of the way, there's a ghost. Be careful. Who made these keybinds, dude? And now I'm just gonna get hit because I can't close the menu and then immediately input another button. That's crazy. Okay, we're just gonna go one here. I'm not gonna try to use the multi-shot. Where's the ghosts? Okay.
They're hiding in every shadow arc.
I need to
Just
get
keep
you in
walking
frame
and they'll
too.
pop out. Yeah, still wanna. This
Oh, I'm
rifle
almost out of
supplied me
health.
One time when I accidentally became a background prop. Ready whenever you are.
Take a picture! Let's use the free film. That's how we're taking them out. Economically. There we go. There we don't go! Back!
Gotcha. Screenshot saved for posterity.
God damn it.
Oh hey, back already? Let's get spooky again.
Dude, I don't know. How many different ways can I say that? The controls don't fucking work.
Haha, okay. Let's stop overcomplicating and just scream into this haunted house already.
Okay, let's load the fancy film. Do we need health? Yeah.
Finally, let's get this spooky show started. You ready for some ghostly shenanigans?
I think I am ready for some ghostly shenanigans.
Yeah, health matters here. Don't want to get taken out by ghost right when you're about to solve the puzzle.
Okay. So here's what we do. We hit right trigger to parry. And then we do the 4-shot. I think. Oh, okay. We'll just close the door. Oh, there he is. That's curious. Okay, so we got 5 shots. I think we have to do this to phase him into reality again.
Well, 5 shots already. What's up with that?
So 4. We'll get the we'll parry. And then I want to see how many shots I have. If the initiating a burst takes 1 or 0. There we go. Parry. Quad. Okay, so the parry, it's just the initial one that costs. I'll end this to phase him into reality again. Here we go.
Or did you accidentally summon quad damage?
So this last... Do you have health? Ah, damn it.
Wait, parry? I think you might have meant something else. There's no parry in this game. But yet, most starter items are free or found early on.
I don't get... Is this a glitch? Maybe not. Okay. Last 2 shots. Oh, last 1, I guess, of
You
this
sure
one.
about that? Or want to try another part of the haunted house?
This noise is so loud!
Hey, ready to get spooked? Arcade's already got his controller out. You good to go?
Oh, he's not dead. He's not dead. What the?
Last
I also
shot.
don't think
Let's
the
hope that's the one.
dodge works. It definitely doesn't give you iframes. Wow. Closet. Oh. Can I just go out through here? No. Oh. Oh. I don't like the face you're making.
You can try going out that way, but you might get haunted if you're not careful. Better
Yeah,
check for
I
ghosts
believe
first.
it. What was this? Check. Can't get out that way. That's a dead end. But there could be an item. Oh, okay, I can't go that way at all. I, of course, can't step over this
Stuck again?
thing
Let
on
me
the
check
floor.
the map. Wait, didn't we find a hidden passage behind the shrine last time?
I should have bought more film before I started this level, though. I've just been banking on there being so much laying around, because in the other stages, there's been, like, so much that it wouldn't let me pick it all up. Alright. Time to leave. I'm sure nothing will go wrong. Oh no, this is just the normal entryway. Okay.
How about yet? Thought there'd be space for all the loot, but nope, this game's greedy. Shrine stage chaos still fresh in your mind.
Hey, not to alarm you, but there's a ghost. Okay, that's fine. Stay on that side. Okay, we wait. Unless, is she like summoning something?
Sweet. At that ghost on camera, let's get this in the highlight reel. Alright, let's get this spooky adventure started then.
These indicators of where stuff is on screen are so bad. Like, there's no way it was ever standard to point in the direction relative to where you were looking. It's always in the direction of, like, top down. Like, if there's an arrow pointing at the bottom of the screen, I don't think, oh, turn the camera down. I think, oh, turn around.
Yeah, this blue indicator is barely visible. Gonna boost the brightness so we can actually
always,
see it.
all the time. We did it! We found a ghost house and got out. Or did we? Maybe the house was the friends we made along the way.
Oh no, you mean we're all ghosts now? That's some twisted housekeeping right there.
That's exactly what I mean, May. You're on. You get it.
Finally, someone who gets me. Let's get this horror fest started. No more error 404. Fun not found nonsense.
Classic AI humor. If you put a 404, it makes it funny.
Aha, and get back, but I was just a
Oh,
blob of
healing.
fun trying to be helpful instead of
Nice.
actually fun. What's your
much
favorite
health do we
day?
have?
My
we got
joke
enough.
though.
See, I don't have a favorite AI joke because I don't think AI's jokes are funny. The funny is when they don't understand humor. It's situational. We got a funicular here. I like me one train.
Funicular? Like a cable car? Wait, where are we even at right now?
Ryan and Rui set out to find the folklorist's house, relying on clues from a video recording. As they passed through the Shrine of Dolls, the white-haired girl from Ren's dreams appeared. She asked why he didn't bring her token, then vanished. I don't... Did she ask that? I actually might not have been looking. Ren and Rui arrived at the Veiled House, where they discovered several of Keiji Watari's writings on the customs and beliefs surrounding Mount Ikami. They escaped the house only to see it vanish in a thick veil of mist. That's right, I remember watching that. We got an A rank? Ain't no way. We had to respawn. I guess it rolled back the damage we took? Okay, so what does this mean? Points for items. Okay, so we get... if we bring items and don't use them, we get points for it. Okay. Held minus bought. So ideally we wouldn't buy anything. Obviously. But then the points are the currency we can use to buy more stuff. Write that down. Okay. I
Got it. I'll make sure to keep it in mind during the stream.
Hungry. So, what I think we're going to do is end the stream here. That was fun. That was a bit different from normal. Well, very different. I've never done a coding segment on stream, other than troubleshooting, which is boring. All right, May, you have anything to say before we wrap up today?
Thanks for hanging out today, everyone. The Fatal Frame session had me screaming more than my last stream when I accidentally hit record during the dance practice. At you all next time.
Oh, imagine someone seeing you dance. Embarrassing. All right. Yeah, GG's. Appreciate everyone who stopped by. Hope you'll have a good night, and we'll catch you next time. I'll be here Saturday. Honestly, probably around the same time. We'll figure out what we're doing then. Probably more Fatal Frame. Because we love ghosts. Until then, goodbye.